Hey everybody, how you doing? Hello. I'll give you the story of my weekend. You'd like to hear it? Which in the grand scheme, but it was a good time, and it was it's some ranting time. Because you know me, I if I didn't freak out, it wouldn't be me, right? What else am I trying to do? Oh, I'm trying to launch the game. The game corrupted, then you gotta do it again. Nothing is soul crushing, even in a game. It's fine, it's a game. I have a friend who says, there's nothing as soul crushing as repeating work you've already done. It's a part of life. It's a part of life. But nothing is soul crushing.
Judge for yourself. It's believability.
And it comes, it's Game Pass, right? So I can't get out of it. I have to hit Control, Alt, Delete to free my mouse. If anyone knows how I can escape, if anybody knows how I can escape from this in a decent manner, I would appreciate it. Oh boy. It's like a swamp here today. Good God. Good God. It's just one of those days. Just one of those days. I heard, like, I'm gonna say it, because I'll probably talk about it in the Totally VTubular podcast. Totally VTubular. VTubular. I don't know. You want me to spell it too? VTubular podcast on Spotify and other places where fine podcasts are done. On Spotify. I have a podcast where I bitch and moan about things that I think quote unquote young, not young, that's the wrong word because I don't mean age, that less life experienced VTubers have. How's that? And I just saw one that came up. It's like, well, why bother having a just starting screen? Just start. That's a complete waste of time. You know why? Hey, Sirix, it's working. You know why you have a just starting screen? Because I'm not the special one. You guys are. Okay, when you start like a movie, the movie doesn't start right on time. The theater doesn't start right on time. Or even a professor, you give a professor 15 minutes. I'm not a professor. I don't think I'm that, like, important. So I go 5 minutes because otherwise I'm like, I think I'm keeping people waiting. But that's why you do it, man. I am not the special one. You guys are. You guys are the special ones for being here. So to say that starting screen is like just coming is ridiculous and useless and not worth your time. Young one, you have a lot of things to learn in life. You have so much to learn. The biggest one is it's not about you. By the grace of creation, we are allowed to do certain things, especially in entertainment, and that people enjoy our work. That is a blessing. And you know, if somebody said, "Could you wait 20 minutes for me?" Yeah, I would. I would. Yeah, because it's you guys, not me. You know, you guys help me with my art therapy. Miss, I see that. That's very nice. How you doing, my friend? How was your weekend? And it's time. Let's get this show properly on the works. Let's do this right.
From the moment humans learned how to communicate with each other, there has always
Fantastic.
been a fascination with the unknown. Stories about cryptids and aliens being shared from one
The
culture
goddamn
to
swamp
another,
here.
taking new forms as they were carried from one pair of lips to the other.
It is the 21st century, and Pandora's box has been opened, but it seems as if the world is blind to the strange and supernatural around them.
Except for one man, a man who has experienced the unexplainable.
A man that the world calls mad.
Blurry pictures and cryptid stories.
Memories of a forgotten time, lost and confused.
Dan Tansky, Monster
Nice.
Hunter. Now that the story
Nice.
has been put
What's it
into
about?
motion, let us take a peek into the mind of a man the world has claimed is legally insane.
Damn you, Basil! I've never been probated. I'm not legally insane. No, I've never been probated, Basil. I'm gonna beat your ass in Minecraft. You hear me? You hear me? You beautiful bastard. That British voice of his. I was really lucky that he generously agreed with Eldridge Grandpa to do my intro. So, all right. So here's the deal. Flintlock. We're gonna play it again. Supernatural bond. Oh, interesting. That reminds me. Hello, I'm a little sparrow. You know, buddy, that reminds me of yeah, but that reminds me of what's that game? That Strange Life is Strange. It's got kind of a Life is Strange vibe, right off the bat. Nice. Relaxing is good. You know what? Having a chill game is okay sometimes. It really is. It really is. I was debating about doing some chill streams this week. Remember, Wednesday is movie night. Tonight, we were going to do Mysteries of the Unexplained, but I was looking at the weather, and they're already saying, like, severe thunderstorms and, tornadoes possible. So I doubt I'll have the internet. Frankly, I doubt I'll have power. So I'll probably be in the basement thinking about you guys. So, yeah. All right, so here's what happened with Flintlock. Something, I think my hard drive took a shit. So I had to reinstall it. So we're playing Flintlock again. Maybe we'll go a little farther this time. So here we go. Let's do this, my friends. Let's do this. I got to turn on the game sound. And once again, because this is a Windows property, I can't get out of it. You would figure I could just hit the Windows button. Oh, wait, maybe it's syncing. Hold on, maybe I don't have to do everything. I don't know what this game UI is. Maybe it's saved it to the cloud, so we don't have to do it again. Continue. Maybe we dodged a bullet. I mean, I could play it again. We didn't get that far, but maybe we dodged a bullet when my hard drive took a shit. Oh my God, we did. Yes, we dodged a bullet. I thought I'm gonna have to do that all over again. Well, that's not gonna be a lot of fun for everybody. All right, here's the chicken. Chicken! I need more bullets. Chicken! Wild chicken! Alright, I don't have to worry about that. Chicken. Okay. There, okay, well, okay.
Eyes peeled, no.
Ow! Oh yeah, the red means I can't, yeah. Alright, come on, dude. You know what? I'm just gonna hit you so you can't do any red. Alright. Yeah, red means can't block. Needs special. Needs to interrupt. I remember. Alright, so I gotta shoot these things for the carpenter. I've already got one. My issue is, how do I shoot them? Like, do I just go and keep going and reloading and maybe it'll be gone? I don't know. I think I need the long gun for this because you can't really aim with the handgun. Here, hit the fly. Ah, animal, please. Animal. Love you, buddy, but please. All All right, banner removed. But I don't have any more bullets. Okay, let's try this. If I go back, will it save or will I have to do it again? If I have to do it again, there's going to be a problem. I don't know how I shoot them all without bullets. I need to figure out how to get more bullets in my pouch there. And I probably shouldn't waste them on the chicken. But it was coming right at me, man. I panicked. Listen, those chickens, they'll tear you apart. They'll tear you apart. Literally a modern-day dinosaur. Modern-day dinosaur. You want to get dinosaurs, don't worry about amber or anything. You change it from a... you take chicken DNA and change it. Oh, no, I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Now there's only 2 left. All right, all right. Maybe I can take this chicken hand-to-hand. We're not really in combat. I should probably try. Come on, chicken. All right. Oh, I got you, chicken. I got you, chicken. All right, all right. There, take that. Yeah, dodge that, bitch. All right, all right. I got him. I got the chicken. 3 bullets, 2 flags. Should be okay. Let's get this done. Hello, ma'am. How you doing? That's a fine long gun you have. Let's get over here. See if we can... What is up there? Oh, I know what that is. The dude here. People over here. I can't even see the flag. That's so far away. Where would this take me? What's everybody doing? You guys...
You there. Are you with the Coalition? Any news from Dawn?
No. Sorry. Long gun. Yes! Did I get that one? I missed. Fuck. Might be too far away. I might be way too far away.
Good
No!
riddance to bad rags.
Nice!
We should give the carpenter the good news.
Okay. Sure. Come on, Snuggles. I know it's not your name. Your name is Snuggles, henceforth. I know you're a god. But your name is Snuggles.
You'd have to be mad to travel in the open road these days. Everywhere's lousy with bandits.
Huh? Well, nobody's ever called me sane. How do I get up there? Not this way. Not this way. I really enjoy this game. I know I'm going to say that a lot, but the games I've been playing lately, I feel quite lucky. This is really cool. It's got all the best pieces of games I like. Alright, it's got some real hard bosses. I kind of looked, just to know what I was in for. So, this may take a while, but hey, you know what? I hope you guys bear with me. That's the Dark Souls part of it. But at least I have my little helper, Snuggles. Where is she? Oh, up there. Okay. Snuggles should help.
I'd give those bastard bandits what for if it weren't for my bum leg.
Your leg. Yeah. That's all right, man. That's all right. I get you. I'm sure you would, my friend. I'm happy to fight by you.
One, isn't he? Lost everything.
Hello, Miss Carpenter.
Nasty for you. It means a lot to us.
That's okay.
A job well done requires a proper reward.
Oh, sure.
Here, you know, thugs like those bandits like to put up their banners all over the
You want me to
place.
just shoot him?
I'm sure the people would appreciate you
All right,
taking them
sure.
down wherever you find them.
Okay, no
I'll keep
problem.
an eye out.
Yeah. Okay, what do I got? Oh, I got a sapper's helmet. When your black powder charge is full, your primary firearm attack. Oh, I like that.
Let's hope that changes the Forge Master's
Look
mind.
at that! I got a decent helmet. I'm not gonna get domed in the head anymore. All right, I'll keep that. I always wonder about people running around. I mean, without like, you know, just brain protection. Like 40K. I love 40K where these guys, these space marines are running around without a fucking helmet. Like, oh, okay there, buddy. Yeah. Hello.
Dear, and wipe your feet.
Oh, sorry.
before you come in.
Here. Sorry. Okay, dude. I got what you did.
Look, that's a good sign.
Well, it didn't
All
take
we
much.
need
I
is a
just
way to
shot
get into
flags.
Forge Master. Then we'll be out of your hair.
You did all this just to throw your life away. The Peaks have gone mad, and Rit's the reason for it.
Okay.
If you go in there, the best you can hope for is a mock trial and a hanging.
Well,
They'll
I
have to
mean,
catch me first.
yeah.
Is that so?
Yeah. Haven't you
Have it
seen
your way.
Snuggles? Do you have a
There's sulfur
Snuggles?
miner's town upriver called Whitebridge. You can cut into Rit from there.
Okay.
Except some awful thing from below has burst into the hamlet.
Oh, my.
Looks like nothing.
We'll
I've ever
have to
seen.
kill it.
All fire and brimstone. The
Okay.
coward knights won't stand up to it. No one. will.
Nobody does
But
anything
I'm
in these
all right,
worlds.
Forge Master. And I'm certainly not a coward. We'll take care of it.
Yeah.
You. As in. Your
No, just me.
company.
Because nobody does anything here.
Take to bring it down.
Just me.
Otherwise,
Nobody
they'll
does
follow
shit here in these
Company
games. Have you ever
something
noticed
ready.
that? No one does anything else in these goddamn games. It's all you. You know, I shouldn't say that because with that still water, that guy did that guy. Actually, I was impressed. He did do something, and that's how you lost him. That was the only goddamn game. That was the only goddamn game I ever saw that. All right. Do I have anything else to say? No. All right. All right. I guess we're going. I need to see if I can upgrade. I need more sulfur. Keep an eye out. I need more sulfur. I like looking around for shit, so that's okay. I do need sulfur. Oh, what? Is this just another door in here? Okay, I'm sorry. It's just a side door? Oh, sure. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. And I guess I can go out this way. This just gives you,
have something that could help you change the Forge Master's mind.
Oh,
Maybe lift his spirits, too.
no, I did that.
He certainly needs that.
Okay.
Go on, good host.
Uh-huh.
I'm all ears.
Yes? Main quest. Travel toward Whitebridge. Okay, no, we did that. Stop. These are just cosmetics. It doesn't do anything. So, not really interested. If they actually gave you a buff or something, I would pick something up. I think I did last time. I think I got the red and blue. But I mean, I don't know what else to spend the money on. Hello. Snuggles, hello. Greet the people. Greet the nice people, Snuggles. Oh, shit. There we go. Go over here. We'll open this up. Let's go. I love this. I love this. Come on, Snuggles.
No, but it's got you quaking.
A revenant feeds from the magic of the great below itself. It enslaves the dead and corrupts everything around it.
Oh.
We should find another way into the city.
Okay.
Oh, think of it like a trial run. If we can kill one of those things, we can take on Ramaha.
You'd risk your life for a measure of strength.
Yes.
Only way to be sure.
I mean, yes. I mean, how, that makes sense, right? Oh, Jesus. Let me out of here. No, I don't know. I didn't want to fight with you chickens. You're fine chickens. So that got me over there. There's some assholes along this road here. If you take a look. Yes, hello. Speaking of you, I got very lucky because he had red. I should probably just save this. I just probably just getting used to saving it, no matter how small it is. March of Dimes and all that. Come on. There we go. I'll take that. Dead now. He ain't pretty no more. Anything over here? No. Some crab stuff. Anything up here? Oh, yes, there is. Listen, I'm taking this for the war effort. I'm trying to save the world. This is not thievery. This is completely okay. I wrote an IOU. Not thievery. Okay, come on, dude. You don't belong here, dude. Yes. Yes. And then there's assholes up here I gotta deal with. Hold on. I think there's an asshole up here with a long gun. Remember, because last time I shot all the way past this, and I like, where'd everything else go? I had to go back. Maybe I can sneak up on him. Don't be suspicious. No, nope, maybe I can't. Oh, God, he got me. That's too slow. That's too slow. He got me. I should drink something. I should drink something. How do I drink something? Yeah, there you go. Okay. I don't want to end up just dying. Are you the one with the gun? No, you got a pitchfork. Whoa! You Mr. Spearman! How you doing there? There you go. Yeah. Now you're Mr. Arrow Man. Too bad you're slow as shit. Too bad for you, you're slow as shit. Must be pretty rough being dead. Yes! Ow! Get off me! Oh, 2 against 1. You motherfuckers. Nice. Camera, help me out. You got to find Dark Souls camera there. Oh, look at that up there. Oh, cool. Nice. Let's go see what's over here. This guy wants to play a game. You know what? We got time. Let's see. Let's see how we do. Yes, I would enjoy playing a game with you.
Do you play, Sebo?
I do. I do, in fact, play. Let's
All right,
play.
I'm game. Let's see what you're made of.
Yes. All right. I gotta attack. So what's this one do? What's this one do? Swap. Once per match, this coin may swap places with an adjacent opponent. Yes. Yes. Select special coin to swap. I want this one. Okay. Attacking. You are attacking this. I'm going to go here. Okay. I'm going here. I'm going to go here. Oh. Here. Yes, I want to swap. How do I do this? Once per match, the coin may swap places with an adjacent opponent's coin. This. Oh, it can't. Oh, okay. All right. Well, that would be too easy then, wouldn't it? It can't form a triangle. I should read these things. I should really read these things. Boom. Ah! One turn away. Okay. Yes, 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 I know. Let's try this again with this one. Let's put this here. Okay. Go here. Go here. How about... Okay, if I go here, he's not going to move. But if I can swap here and get down here, but time is a thing. Time. One more. Ah! Come on, man! I have to do this quickly. The strategy was sound. I just ran out of time. Let's put you over here. You're gonna go here. I have to crawl you up, right? And I can't put you here. Alright, so I can swap with you because I'm not forming a triangle. But I can go up here. You're gonna block me. Block. Takes too long, man. Here. I get you down here. God, it takes too long. The middle part is what's getting me, because there's no access here. I have to learn how to do this very quickly. This is the last time, because I don't want to bore you guys to tears. I could do this for hours, though. This is a fun little game. Alright, so machine, I have to lure you away. What I have to do. But when I lure you away, I take time I need to do other things. If I go here, you'll block me. If I go here, I can't swap because you'll just stay. Right now, you are looking. You're going, there's some shit going on here. So I want to distract you. Here. I think I have you. I'm not forming a triangle. I win. Choose a defending one. I like this one. The coin may move 2 spaces. If it does, it cannot move the next turn and barricades itself to prevent movement. I like that. Put that right here. I am defending. I don't know what this thing does. 3 turf. Leap. Once per match, this coin can leap over any coin to an empty space. Interesting. So you can go here. Well, I don't like that at all. Go here. If I went here, you jump over me. I don't care about that. You're trying to do something. You don't have the resources right now. Okay. You're trying to do something. Go here. You don't have it, dude. My man, I don't think you have it. And if you do, I can't see it. Okay, that's fine. Fine, dude. I'm not sure. I think I have. I think, my friend, I have, right? Because he's going to run out of time. Because I'm not going to let him move. Stalemate. We're done. I can't move. I can't move. There's no place for me to move, buddy. How did I lose? How? Oh, fuck. I have to move here. Fuck! Yeah, I lost. Fuck, I lost. I have to move out of the way. Yeah, no. Because I can't go here. I shouldn't have done that. I fucked that up. Alright, I fucked up. I fucked up. The special coins. This was my fuck up. Yeah, that was my fuck up. Alright, I'm done. Lost. You win. You guys want to see me play again? It's just you and me, man. You want to see me try it again? Let's try it again. Alright, I like this one a little bit better. Okay. So, it's all about confusing the AI and thinking it's misdirection here. So, let me go. Hey, man, user input. If you want to help out, you're more than welcome. 2 brains are better than 1. I'm going to go here. If I go along the inside track, it's just... Thanks. Thanks, man. Thanks, buddy. I got it. Boom. All right. I am going to use... Oh, I can only select one per match. Oh, okay. All right. Here. Okay. I'm defending. This son of a bitch can jump over. Ew. Thanks. Thanks. What would I do without you, my man? What would I do without you? Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha. Ah ha. Ah ha. Okay. Ain't gonna happen, but if you go here, you can't form one here. You cannot form one here. But you can try to form one here if I'm not careful. Down here. I don't see what he's gonna do. Ah! Fuck. But no, he's fine. You still can't form that triangle. Still can't form that triangle. You still ain't forming a triangle, my man. I hope I did. Unless I fuck up. Yes! You cannot gain further reputation. Okay. Continue. Nice, man. Nice. We did okay. No, I want to forfeit. No, I can't get more. Are you sure you will lose this match? Yes. Would you like to play again? No.
I guess I can't win them all.
Yeah, I can't win them all. Good job. Good job. I'll take that. All right. I'm over here. I enjoy that little game there.
Let's go.
That reminds me of that Witcher card game. Anything? Hello? 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 Oh, hey, guess what's over here? Nice. No, I'm not going to use that. I need my... God, how do I get over there? I want to get over there. So bad. I'm sure there's a way. But not now. Hello, sir! Hello! Now you're on fire. Anything down there in that cart? Anything over here? Down here? See anything? Keep your eye out for yellow. We need sulfur. We need sulfur? There's where I'm supposed to go. There's a bunch of dudes down there. Let's go.
We'll rise again.
Yeah, rise this. Oh God! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Say, I guess you burnt up. I guess you burnt up. Did you rise again? I don't think so. My little guy took care of your shit. This is spoils of war if there's anything here. No. Okay. Oh, there's a guy up there. Alright, hold on, dude. Hold on, I'm gonna put you out of your misery. Hold on, sir. Oh, okay. What's this? I'll take it. Iron? Yes! Anything else? Nope. Okay. I better drink something. I better drink something before I get my ass kicked. Anything around this side? No. Down there? No, that's death. Anything over here? Anything over here? No. Over here? Yeah, wood. War effort. Taking it for the war effort. Okay, up here. Interesting. Bethesda, look, a ladder! Bethesda! Bethesda, look! It's a ladder! That no. Good job, little sparrow. You know, you could put a little crab or something on that hat. Iron. Or you could put a hat or something on the crab. Dyslexia strikes again. God, I'm so happy. I did. Listen, I would really have no problem doing it, but I'm very happy for the cloud in this one instance because I didn't want to do this again. I mean, I could, but it's just okay. I've been here, been down there. Hey, Snuggles, how you doing? Maybe we can sneak up on him over here, Snuggles. Oh, maybe we don't have to sneak up on him.
Something's wrong.
What?
Fort wall's broken from the outside in. No sentries.
Which means...
Be ready for anything.
That's right, Snuggles. You just be ready. Anything down there? No. Looks like we're in for a fight. Ooh, a chest. A treasure chest. What's this? Okay. I'll take it. Sure is. I wish
Bring it on.
Come on, dudes. Come on, my man. What y'all waiting on? Come on. Hell, guys. You can come at me? Come at me, bro. Come at. Yes! Woo! Yeah! Thanks, man. Man, Sony hates when you play that. But I don't care. I love that song. I'm transformative, you sons of bitches. I'm talking over it. It's not your song anymore. Fuck yeah! Whoa, 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 hold on there now. Hold on there, gentlemen. I'm sure we can talk this out. Why don't you follow me out here where I can funnel you? Or I'll just cut through you motherfuckers like butter! I could do that, of course. Get him, Snuggles! Whoa, big boy, big boy, big boy! Oh, big boy, big boy! Okay, all right. Snuggles, Snuggles, I'm gonna need some serious help here. Yeah, you ain't so tough, are you, bitch?
I know, they're everywhere.
Yes.
It doesn't look like an invasion.
You fool! You think that you can touch me with these?
Fuck
what
you!
What am I gonna do, Enki? How am I gonna fix this?
One dead body at a time. Going on. Barrels that could have exploded. That could have been bad. I was very lucky with this flaming axe. Oh, what's this?
What's that?
Buttons. I don't know what the buttons do. I should probably look to see what the buttons. There's that money, but I mean, they're not doing anything for me. Except buying stuff that, I don't know. I don't know! I should probably look at that. Ugh. Yeah, this is all deserted, huh? Poor bastards are all dead. This is cool, though. I like this. I like this a lot. Looking around, seeing what's here. More wood. Okay, take that.
What's that?
Could really use some sulfur. I'd really like to have this upgraded. Do I, How about skills? Do I have any skills? Do I have any ability? 300. I need 4. So, nope. Nope. There's some shit over there, I think. Can I get up over there? I have to be there. There's got to be a way to get over there. Yeah, around this side. Round the outside! Round the outside! Who puts explosive barrels everywhere? Honestly, people. Honestly, you got a garrison? Do not put your explosive barrels near the doors or walls. You put them under the ground. Oh, I'll take that. What is this? Firing a larger shot. Fuck. Oh, yeah, they need them ready. That's why you got flunkies. Inventory. Where's gun? Gun. No, I think I'm going to get this. Equip. Channel shot. I can channel shot this. Okay. I like that. Oh, hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. There's other things here. Why is there another dot here? Oh, it's because clothes. I can pick old clothes. Uncommon. I put that on. Feel that? Okay. What's this? Okay, this is everything in my backpack. These are my red pants. I got red pants. Remember the pants, people. Remember the pants. Open consumables. And the helmet. I'm going to keep the helmet because I think it saved my life. So we're going to keep that. But we can't see your face. Yeah, yeah. And? Done here. Ah! Look at this. Well, look at that. Fuck you, bandit. If you guys see anything, let me know. Because you know I miss shit constantly. Nothing here? Nothing? Can I go through here? You went through there? Well, Snuggles can go places I can't. What's this say? Evacuation order. By order of the Judge's Mercy, Duty, and Honor, Rammus has revealed that the overwhelming presence of the dead threaten the sanctity and security of the city of Rit and Kneeling Keep. All knights must retreat to the city until order is restored. Aren't the knights responsible for restoring order? I'm just saying. Okay. Man, the forces are dwindling then, I guess. Maybe that's good for us. Then? Bunch of dead people. Sorry. Okay, I think oh no, there's something right up there. What is that? Nice. What's this? Oh, I need that perhaps. I got a breaching barrel. Alright, somehow I can carry this giant barrel. Hey, don't ask questions. It's magic. Magic. Okay, magic. Why can't I get up here? Oh! What's over here? Nothing. I've been here. I guess I could have sneaked-ed. I guess I could have sneaked it in that way. But you know me. I just charge straight in, willy-nilly, swinging my axe. Oh, I needed the barrel for here. Ah, I see. Well, it's a good thing I found it then, isn't it? Get back! Get back, Snuggles! What do we have here? Oh, all right. What do we have here?
That huge floating thing. What is that?
It's the crown of a revenant's lair. This one probably broke out of the great below, trailing the rest of the gods.
How the fuck do I fight that? Do I have to fight that? Do I have to fight that? Any idea how I plan to fight that, Snuggles? Here we go. Gonna rest. Yeah, he's here. Good.
Nora.
Yeah.
Come here a moment, will you?
Sure. How you doing, my old friend?
Been waiting for you.
Yeah, I bet. Upgrade. Maybe we can upgrade. Gonna upgrade. Insufficient resources. Fuck you, Dan. Insufficient resources. Insufficient resources. Insufficient resource. Reputation mostly, right? Sulfur. Don't have any sulfur. Man, I need sulfur. Sulfur is like becoming a commodity here. Okay, that's not gonna happen. We can play some Sabo. How about the quest?
What's the matter?
I was a damn fool is the matter. Got mugged like a greenhorn.
Oh no!
They were coalition, probably deserters. Gave me some sob story that their captain had been killed, and they'd wandered all the way here. As soon as I turned my back
And you
on
commissioned them for art, and then they
Are you
disappeared.
all right? Did they hurt you?
Just some kicks and scrapes. Took my money for all the good it'll do them. My blunderbuss.
Not your blunderbuss!
Right. Which way did they go?
I'll beat their
Let
ass!
go, Nora. I just wanted to warn you. We don't have time to go playing military court.
But I do.
I'm just gonna talk to them.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
It's only a damn
talk
gun.
to them.
It's your damn gun, and I'm getting it back.
Have it your way.
You know, in
Last I
this
saw them, they were
age,
headed
when
into
everything is
Rosemont,
handmade,
further up the road.
that gun is priceless. I mean, there isn't any manufacturing. That is a priceless. That's a priceless gun. So yes, everything is effectively priceless if you think about it. The shirt. I mean, everything. Peacekeepers completed quest. Loot of battle. Investigate the mine. Dapper quest. Yes. Active quest. I want that. I'll be right back, my friend. Don't you worry. I'm just gonna have a chat with these gentlemen. I'm just gonna have a small chat with these gentlemen. I'm sure we'll come to a peaceful resolution. I'm sure everything will be fine. Don't you worry. They killed a chicken. They may not be all that bad. They killed the chicken. One of this world's most deadly. Whoa, hello! Ah, spider! Hey, buddy! Give me a hand with this guy. God damn, that is a big furry spider! Holy shit! Hey, hey! That was a big furry spider. Xeric, put in my spider emote, quick! Throw my spider emote out. I've seen that spider before. I would do it, but I have to I can't get out of the goddamn game. The spider emote, my friend. The spider emote. There, look at that! Look how I had a vision! Thank you. Listen, I'm paying you 4 times the amount you're getting now. You're doing fantastic work, man. I hope you can show up for Solomon Kane. You know what? If you can't, we can watch it again together.
An entire hamlet. Just...
The Revenant pushed through.
Whoa! Dude, are you shooting at me? Okay. Hold on a minute.
That's too much, Elder.
And take your pitchfork and shove it up your ass. I gotta go into that mine, talk to these gentlemen. But let me look around here first. Oh! Oh, okay. Alright. Well, you know what? Like he said, man, if you can't watch it, you and I will just shoot the shit and watch it together. How's that? I enjoyed the movie. I hope you do too. You know what? Most of the actors, not like the big actors, but most of the stand-in and people, it was filmed mostly in Europe. Yeah, it's cool. The setting, they couldn't do it. They couldn't find a place like that. So most of the setting on live outside of a theater, a studio was in Europe. Yeah, fucking spider! You creepy bastard! God damn.
Last chance to back down.
You won't make it without me.
I know. But I'll try anyway.
Oh, sulfur. I bet you this is sulfur. Yes! Alright, well, I can upgrade the gun then, or I can upgrade... Maybe I'll get another one in the mines. Hold on. What's over here? Right now, we're going into the mines. We're not going to go fight. Raw meat? Yeah, just leave the meat out. That's actually a thing. You leave the raw meat out. I can't remember where that is. Is that in Greenland or Iceland? I think they do it with fish. They just leave it out. They fucking leave it out. They don't even smoke it. They just... Ugh. Oof. I think they salt the fuck out of it and just leave it out. Hey man, that's what you did without refrigeration. That's why salt is historically considered like to be against the spirits and stuff, because it helps preservation. Because before you had refrigeration, you had fucking salt. And that sorta worked. Sorta. I love this shit. I love looking around for stuff. Hello!
I'll cherish this.
Thank you. What's this? And more buttons? Yeah. Creepy spider. Nothing up there. Where are you gonna be, my friend? What you gonna do, if you don't mind me asking? Gonna visit family or something? Or you just traveling? Enjoying your summer? Nice, okay. Ow! God damn, I did that. I fucked myself over. Whoa, hey, Mr. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Oh, I don't have any more left. Alright, who's shooting at me? You motherfucker! Oh, nice, nice. I'm not in the club, but very nice. Do you guys do the entire baby dunking or just a little water on the head? Much love, man. I hope you have a good time. Silver button.
Beautiful.
Yeah, me too. Well, I guess I can't say I'm agnostic. I'm a Taoist. So I do believe, but I understand. Oh, just a little bit. Okay. I went to one, I think it was Greek Orthodox. See, I didn't know around there because it's blending, right? There's such a blend there. But I guess Polish is generally Catholic. But yeah, I've been to a few Greek Orthodox ceremonies where they just fucking dunked that baby right into the water. I was a groomsman at a Greek Orthodox wedding too. That was a lot of fun, man. I generally don't, I don't know, you know me. I don't, oh god damn! Oh, got me. That's a big boy. I feel strange with that. Hey man, it's tradition. I mean, you know, there's the whole circumcision thing too. I mean, yeah, funerals, yes. Yeah, no, I got it. I don't do the, I don't like going to funerals for that very reason. I've gone to, yeah, I went to one with a good friend. Well, in fact, I'm a little sparrow, in fact. And they sent this sort of junior priest, and basically, it was more about, the way I felt it was more about recruiting than actually taking the time to remember a person's life and be closer to each other. I did not like it. And then, as an opposite, I went to somebody who had a Buddhist ceremony, and I thought it was wonderful. So I guess I just don't like when you try to do a recruitment drive at a somber time in people's lives when they should be remembering things. That's just me, but I understand. You know what? Just enjoy other people's happiness, and the company and the ceremony is just sort of incidental. Take that, you bitch. That's what I do. Like I said, I generally don't shit on anybody's religion unless they use it to attack people, which, well, in America happens quite frequently. You wouldn't believe the amount of true Christians I have blocked on Twitch. Not Twitch, Twitter. Twitter. You wouldn't believe the amount. I'm like, wow, I didn't know your guy was such a complete asshole. In fact, I don't think he is. I think you're the complete asshole. That's just my little, you know. Rooster, in fact, RPG Rooster and I have talked about religion for a good bit. And I have talked to Shaker Man, and they both have different takes on things. And you know, there is a way to do things, like, I don't know, to have respect for each other as decent human beings, instead of saying everything you believe in is horseshit because mine is better. What? You know what? And I love to tell this to the people I block. You know, almost all religions do that. Oh no, but mine really is. Again, all religions do that. So, yeah. And listen, man, the Buddhists, any kind of organized religion can be co-opted for evil purposes. I'm not going to say Buddhism is better, because when Buddhists kill, like bad people, when bad Buddhists kill, they're not really killing you, my friend. They're sending you on to the next life. You get it? Anybody can use that shit as an excuse. It's all about just, you know, just enjoying things and people's company. Just being a decent human being, man. It seems to be harder and harder. I don't know why. I think the internet is killing us. No, I get it. No, I get it, man. It's all right. You don't have to believe. You don't have to believe. Yeah. No, that's okay. And that, dude, that's 100% okay. That's 100% okay. Yeah, just enjoy the community. That's okay, dude. That's okay. I would ask why it makes you feel uncomfortable. Were you raised quote unquote Catholic? Do you have the last BIOS pangs of sort of guilt because you should believe? I suffered from that a lot. That's the only reason why I say it. I suffered from that a lot. Like, oh, I should really believe this stuff. And no, I don't. Dude, I was let's just say I went to Catholic school in the 80s. I saw some horrible shit. So yeah. Oh wait, I gotta change the mission around. Did I have to change the quest? Lost battle. No, investigate the mine. Okay. So this way is that dude that I don't want to deal with, frankly. I may have to deal with him. I'd rather not. Come on, asshole. Maybe I can Alright, plinked him. Maybe I can plink you? Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Nice. Didn't lay a hand on me. Get my shit back. Alright, where am I going though? Is that where I want to go? Or is, wait. What the fuck? Or is this? Oh no, this is just I think this is just a respawn, right? Yeah, I might as well. Skills. Let's take a look. Magic. What do we got? Powder. Decisive skill. What is that? Superman. I don't like that. What's this? Counter shot. You can perform a firearm counterattack. That's more work than I have the ability for. Passively taunts enemies when you're facing multiple opponents. I like that. At the same time, attack, you deal bonus damage. I like the passive stuff. You can perform a powerful charge-up attack. You know what? Give me this passive one where he's calling people out. That's important. I like that. I like that. I want that one. Okay, good. Give me the passive. And then, yeah, I'll leave. isn't it respite, Snuggles? Isn't it respite? Well, you be you, man. You know, who am I to say? I thought it was respite. But you know, you're English, so... I think Snuggles, I think you're English. Hello, Mr. Spider! Fuck you, Spider-Man! Yeah, no, man, just enjoy the time, enjoy the community. That's what I do. I don't go, like you say, I don't do the mass thing. I don't. I think I don't know if you're, yeah, is that required for the baptism? Hey, dude, just, you know, I don't know. You know, go to your happy place. You know? There was this one, my friends were telling me about this priest that, like, started saying about how Disney's been doing some bad things, and I'm like, dude, I would have got up and left, because Disney's response to stuff was so tepid. All they said was, you know, people should be treated with decency. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Okay, well, have one of these. Oh god, I'm out of shots! Well, let's try this. Let's try this. Fuck you! God, that thing fucked me up. Whew. Yeah, I mean, if it's not like that, if it's something like really shitty, man, get up and leave. You don't have to. You don't have to be there. Yeah, no, I get it. I don't do it either. I don't pray. If you would call what I do praying, I mean, there is something to be said about that. Well, I think you understand it. You just like, this is silly. Yeah, it's like 40K when you're praying to the machine god. You know, you don't get. Yeah, no, I get it. I get it. Yeah, no, I got it. I got you. I got you. Yeah, no, 100%. I got you. Like I said, I mean, just enjoy the community. Just enjoy the people are there, and it's making them happy. And if there's something shitty that somebody says, 100%, leave. You're not obligated to stay. You are not obligated to stay. You know, it's not the Middle Ages. You don't have to worry about somebody burning you at the stake. Oh, well, okay, good. Good. All right. Like I said, then, you know, just enjoy the time. Oh, sneaky bastard! Sneaky bastard! I have taken the time. Did I ever tell you the time I meditated at a Buddhist temple? Did I ever tell you that time? So you meditate at a temple, and a young sort of acolyte, I'll call him, a young monk, goes around, and they hit you with a fucking stick. Well, I was not prepared. Well, except for the stick part. So you're meditating and, you know, reciting mantras and stuff, and this young acolyte comes and hits you in the back with a stick. Well, you know, I'm the new person. Yeah, no, but that is enlightenment, okay? That is the stick of enlightenment. Basically, it's to understand that that's the now. And, dude, when it came to my turn, as try as I might, because the guy I think he put a lot of effort into, enlightening me. You know what I'm saying? Try as I might, I could not go, ah! So, yeah, that was, it wasn't one of my greatest moments. But, you know, he bowed, and I bowed to him, and it was okay. I said namaste, and it worked out okay. But it was, yeah, it was a thing. It was certainly a thing. Yeah, the stick. Fun fact, Catholicism in the Dark Ages did something akin to that, but not in that way. They would have a hot poker, and the the pews you would sit in and kneel in and stand in and kneel in had an opening in the back. So if they would catch you falling asleep, they would jab a hot poker in your back. So, you know, yeah. I'd rather take the stick of enlightenment, frankly. How do I know all this stuff? Seminary Catholic summer school. That was a thing. The fuck are you doing? Gonna take that. Yes, that is a thing. That really was a thing. Holy fuck, how do we get past this? Do I jump? I guess I jump it. Fucking jump it, guy! That's not running. Alright. There we go! Oh, thank God. Alright. Yeah. I don't know. I understand exactly what you mean, dude. When I was a kid, I don't know if I don't know if you want to hear this. It's not really traumatic, but it is on the scale of weirdness. It really is on the scale. I had to, when I was a kid, the cardinal came, and I was required to kiss his ring finger. Yeah, that was, dude, you want to talk about odd and creepy? Yeah, dude, I understand. I understand what you're saying. I'm like, why am I kissing this old creepy man's finger? Why am I kissing his ring? What is this all about? This is 1980 something. This isn't like 12th century. And he just put out his hand in this very dainty way, like, oh, you may. Like, I didn't bring it up. It was like, yes, he just laid it out. Like, well, frankly, like a girl, right? And I'm not implying anything. It was just very creepy. Fuck you. Those guys are hard. Yeah, dude, so I understand creepy. I understand odd. I get it. I get it. Yeah, religion and me, we have a long sordid history. Well, I shouldn't say, you know what? No, I will. I will say all religion. Listen, if I could recommend something to you, his name is Alan Watts. You can find his books. You can find him. You can listen to his recordings on YouTube. And he basically has said, you know, anybody who pretends to be any sort of expert in the divine, and I think you've heard this, run the other way. Anybody who's telling you they're a guru and they know all the answers, run the other way, because they fucking don't. How do I get over there? Did I miss a pass? I think I'm... Yes! 100%. 100%. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes! 100%, man. 100%. 100%. I agree wholeheartedly. That's why you and I vibe so well. I agree. But, you know, other people feel it much different. Oh, shit! Other people feel things much differently. They would, in fact, you know, some people whip themselves up into a fever if you say stuff like that. But, yeah. I know. I know. My friend, I know. I know. Poisoning me, you bitch! I don't have any health. God, I'm going to die. I don't know how to get this area. Yeah. Does that mean also? Does that mean you have read his works or listened to him? Oh, you pulled it up. Listen, you should try. But I mean, if you find those things, if you're like, yeah, that makes sense. That's, you know, that's yeah, I get it. Yes. This is nothing here. This is just dropping into nothing. Yeah, you should try. And that man is not trying to sell you anything except to understand yourself. Yeah, no, he's the first person that says, look, I'm just a scholar. Do not consider me a guru. And then he makes that famous quote. Like, if you're looking for somebody like that, I suggest you run the other way. Well, that's very true. Yeah, that is very true. Hey, hold on there, buddy. L. Ron Hubbard's still trying to sell stuff. Hold on there. Hold on there, my man. I would say that other guy's trying to sell you stuff, too. Trying to sell you a bag of goods. A lot of dead people are trying to sell you stuff. Like, sir, I am not buying what you are selling. I don't know if you're here this weekend, but I had a guy, a red cap, come to my door, and he's knocking, and my dogs went nuts, and he's knocking and knocking and knocking, and I went down, and I saw the red cap, and he thought I was in the club, right? He thought I was in the club. I am not in the club. He tried to just walk into my fucking house, and I'm like, no, dude, I'm not interested. I'm not in the club. I'm in the other club. Oh, like, wait, hold on, sir. No, you hold on. Don't set foot in my house. I'm shutting my door now. And he was pounding on the glass. He's pounding on the door. I'm like, dude, you have some strange sense of entitlement. You think you and I are part of some club, and we are not. That's the one thing I do not like. That's the one thing I do not like. That would probably, I think that makes me immune to vampire attacks because I just don't invite anyone into my house. and God, listen, and don't come trying to walk into my house.
That's like the mine that Baz was talking about.
if you're not invited, because bad things will happen. I think mostly my dogs will get you.
What's that?
And then you'll do something stupid to my dogs, and then I'll get you. You know, your hearth, your home is a special place. Ah, man, that's in the book. That's in the book. Come on, man, that's in the book. Many creatures actually in folklore, many creatures need an invitation to get through to your hearth.
Mugged Baz whilst dragging the coalition's name through the mud. Of course I'm mad.
Are you sure that they're bandits? Baz said they were deserters.
Nope, couldn't have been.
Can we have a place I can rest? Can we have a place I can rest somewhere here? Because I'm gonna die as soon as I get down there. Because I would hate to have to travel all this way over again. That's the only problem I have with those rest stops and not having enough healing. I want to see if there's... I think I did get healing. Which one? You know, like I said though, it's not just vampires. A lot of fae folk, a lot of folklore require you invite spirits into your home. They just can't go in. And I understand that. What, are you talking about Twilight, man? Are you talking about Twilight? Stop this nonsense. Oh, was it Underworld? Are you talking about Underworld? I don't know, man.
These ones are in uniform.
Hostages. Have to be. They
don't seem to have been restrained.
I know.
Gotcha. Those were good. You realize, though, what's her name? I mean, she's a pretty lady. You understand that vampires don't sweat because, you know, yeah, the actress, if you look at the cuts, like if you look at the cuts, like the ones that didn't make the movie, probably not. But those movies are fun popcorn movies. I like the first, maybe the first one. I think I like the first one. with the hybrid and all that other stuff. I like that. I thought that was fun. Those are all made in Europe too, I think. I think those are all made in Europe too. I like those. What was her name? Celine? And then you realized afterward, like when she was even doing stuff with all that rubber on, they had to, she actually had like a small trailer, not her normal trailer, but she had to go in there and to fucking cool off because, look, as much as like the people, you know, it's a fetish thing and it's a clothes thing, those clothes don't breathe, man. Those clothes, they don't breathe. So she's just sweating her damn full self off. So that was my joke, that vampires don't sweat because they're dead. Oh, that guy was a little How you doing, mate? How you doing? You gonna spray at me? You gonna do me some spraying? Oh, you did? You son of a bitch! You tricked me! Alright. I have 2 for my axe! Nice. Nice, a good find. And my axe. What's this? Deserter account, part 1. 2 years of my life I gave to the coalition. Soaked the trenches with my blood for what? So some flying mass monstrosity can swoop down and tear me apart. No more of that. I mean, hey, listen, that's valid. Farewell to arms, you know? Farewell to arms. I put in my part. This is a fucking madhouse. I'm leaving. Or there's a book about the Vietnam War. I can't remember what it's called. Trek to Paris, where this guy is fighting in Vietnam. And he's like, you know what? Fuck this. I'm just going to walk to Paris. Yeah, I mean, I guess he's a quote-unquote deserter, or maybe he's tired of the madness of war. Oh, it's one of these dudes. Fuck, get him! Get him, boy! Get him! Yeah! Fuck you! God, those guys fucking hit hard. I gotta figure out some way to deal with that. I gotta find some way to deal with those fuckers. Deserters account, part 2. Ran halfway to the edge of the world and found the dead walking for us. Why did we fight so hard to keep them in? Souls below, we're damned. We're all damned. Yeah, I mean, okay. I get it, right? I get it. I better drink something. I don't want to get one-shotted. Boom. Iron received. Those guys with the hats, man, they ain't no joke.
The mine isn't collapsing, is it?
I don't know.
No. But that explosion worries me. Let's go.
Gentlemen, welcome to an explosion. Oh, fuck! I gotta get better at blocking. This game with the red dot reminds me a lot of a game called Thymezius, which is sort of the same kind of thing where you could block and block and block. And I guess is Dark Souls has that too. And then at a certain point they show you something and it can't be blocked, so you better dodge. So, yeah, and I'm too slow to dodge, so I better get better at that gun. I better start getting really good at that gun.
Damn, whoever blew those barrels caused a cave-in.
Yeah.
At least the ceiling's holding.
Okay. Sir, why are you looking at that wall? You should be looking at me. The dead are kind of stupid, because they're dead. Breach! We got here. Deserter account, part 3. Where Ren says he can hear them down there. They must have crawled through the ground, up the mountain, and got lost in this place. Jan took her own way out. She was always smart like that. Time to see if the old man's blunderbuss is worth a damn. I still want it back. The dude's probably dead. Man, there's a lot of explosives down here. There is a lot of explosives.
It hurts. Those rotters got me good.
Am I alright? I think I'm okay. I think I'm alright. Anything else around? This whole place is gonna go up like a fucking tinderbox.
Your coalition, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm not going back.
I don't care about
you
going back.
Make it anyway. Not in
You're
your
dead.
condition.
There's no escaping them.
Yeah.
Is there? Came out of dawn like a wave. You can't fight that.
Did you blow those charges before?
The dead. They tore right through us. I tried to trap them, but they'll get through. I know it.
It's okay. I'll deal with them.
Throw your life away. What do I care?
That's fine, man.
Here. Maybe this'll help you.
You give me my bundle?
That's Baz's blunderbuss. So you were the ones that jumped him.
Was that his name? Tell the old man. We're sorry.
Yeah, you know, yeah. I'm gonna get that. Oh, 10 pellets spread, making it ideal for dealing with crowds. I like that. Continue. Yeah, you did. Maybe I should equip the old blunderbuss then. Because I think it's probably time. I think it probably wants to make me take the blunderbuss. Where is it? No. Yep, that's it. Shoot pistol. No, wait. Blunderbuss is where? Blunderbuss. Alright, it's a pistol then. I've never... Okay, I guess it is a pistol? Never... I mean, I guess. Never seen a blunderbuss as a pistol, but fine. Come on! I mean, we got explosives for everybody here. Yeah, you know, honestly, I don't need a lot of them. Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't need explosives. I got a little god. I got fucking Snuggles. What do I need explosives for? Take a look over here. Come on, Snuggles. I am still not good at parrying. I will probably never be good at parrying. Dude, I saw this dude. He's like a god in Elden Ring. I remember the first boss, all he did was parry that guy. I just can't imagine the reflexes on that dude. I'm like, wow. Oh, it only has 2 shots. Okay. Now you're dead. I can't do, I don't have that ability. So you have to do something else, right? That's just how it works. Oh, I won't go. Okay. It's too far. So this is very short. Very short, huh? I guess I'll have to go and deal with you myself. Where are you guys? Fine. Hello! Oh god, you're gonna kill me. No, you're not. No, you're not. I ain't. Oh, you are. Oh, with the fucking hat. Oh, I didn't know the hat guy was down there. Fuck! I think this is my... Am I doing the death one on this? I can't. No, I have to reset the death counter. Remind me that after this game, I have to reset the death counter. Because you know, the death counter was for Still Wakes the Deep. So I have to redo it. I don't think I'm going to use the blunderbuss. It's fine. It's a fine weapon. I'm not going to use it. I'm probably going to give it back to him because it doesn't do what I want it to do, man. I need some bit of range. And I honestly like this one a lot better. Okay.
Come on, then.
There's Mr. Spider. How am I doing today, Cyrix? How am I doing today? Not bad! Not bad! Thank you, man. 20% on a Monday? That ain't bad. 20% on a Monday is not bad. It's not bad. Fuck. 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 Good deal with those assholes. I'm gonna get my points back too. Ow. You get him, Snuggles. You get him, Snuggles. Gotta block it. Oh, god damn it, dude. God, these guys. Yes! Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it, guys! I did it! I did it!
Luck often enough will save a man if his courage holds.
You know that was fucking just luck. You know that was just fucking luck. You know it and I know it. Let's not pretend. Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm so stupid. I think this gun doesn't have a lot of charges in it. Did I kill any of them, guys? Ow. Oh. Sidestep, you bitch! Oh man, I love the passive ability, man. I love the passive. I love the passive that he's irritating the fuck out of everybody. That is cool. That was a good purchase. I like that. I like that. Very God of War. This is what I want, man. Take the good parts of all the games, slap them together. I like that. I've already seen people going like, well, it's a Dark Souls clone, whatever. Yeah, dude, I don't care. What I care about is, am I enjoying myself? Is it fun to look at? Yes. I don't care. No, I better drink this. I need more. I need to find another health thing. Okay, there you are. Are they gonna come out? Hey, how you doing, Ethereal? Are they gonna all bust out of here? I don't think they are. I think we're okay. That's done. That's done. I like how you don't have to fight every motherfucker over and over again. I like that. How was your weekend? How was everything? I tried for a spectacular move. I got shit. That's the story of my life. Nice. Nice. You know what? How about... Hey, mister. How about I do that? I know. You're gonna... You know what? How about I throw that? There you go. I think you're gone. I think I can finish you off, bitch. I got him. Reputation recovered. Soul's reputation, whatever. Nice fishing. Very cool, dude. Very cool. Did you catch anything? I put the song up for you on the Discord. I remembered. Yeah, I put the. I hope you guys throw some songs in there. Like I felt a little weird because it's just my shit. Yeah, dude. I love this. It's a great game. Look at it. It's got guns, and it's got a little Pokemon. This is Snuggles. He helps you fight. This is a great game. No. No, this requires some combat. Do I have one? I gotta switch it then. I'll get rid of one of them. I can't. It shows you what I can and can't see.
All this horror, this running. Just to die in the dark with a hole in your belly.
At least we got Baz's.
It's got a lot of cool things, man.
We did.
It's even got like sniper elite shit in it. Like, look at this. This is so much fun. Yeah, man. I know my Discord is a mess. I need somebody to clean it up. Honestly, I think that might be beyond. I have to figure out. I think I'll probably just delete it. Where the fuck am I? Where's my friend? My friend's back there. Okay. This is down here. There's a lot of exploration in this. There's so much cool stuff. There's a bit of crafting, finding shit, and I think a lot of it is based on Indian folklore. It's a lot of fun. Well, that's probably, maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I think managing a Discord for me is a bridge too far. I need somebody with some kind of an ability that I do not have. So Adam, it's not souls you recover, it is your reputation, and there are places to rest. I think so too. Yeah, reputation. Reputation. Might not be the best game for your significant other, and I'll show you why. Because these motherfuckers are pretty horrible. Take that, you bitch. Little goddamn furry jumping spiders. Yeah, they're all over the place in this town. Woo! They're all over the place. But you can perfect parry. You can do a lot of cool things. Right now, I unlocked Snuggles' ability to taunt bad guys if they're in my face, so that's cool. And also, if I'm getting my ass kicked, Snuggles here, if I hit the left bumper and yellow, Snuggles here can fuck some people up. So that's cool. It even works on bosses. I mean, it doesn't take out the boss altogether, but it gives me a breather. So, I like that. So far, I fought the first quote-unquote boss.
You're in my way.
Ah, you fucking spider. Ah! You know what? This is more like, and I've been saying it, I'm glad you're here. This is more like, what is it, Thymesia? Because when they have that red dot, you can't dodge them. You have to do something else. You cannot dodge them. Yeah, it's a good game.
This is as good a place to rest as any.
Should we go through and fight all these sumbitches all over again? It reminds me a lot of it. It really does. It really does. Where's the camp? Yeah. Yeah, and Lies of P is far beyond my ability. This, I'm having fun because this, I'm having a great time because, no, take a look at it. Yeah, go take a look at it on Steam. It's not expensive. I think it's like $20. It's a really good game. If you enjoy a Souls game, I think listen, some of the bosses, and this is saying a lot, some of the bosses gave Adam a run for his money. And Adam is like, uber Chad. He really is. I don't care what he says. He's a fucking Chad with those games.
Oh, you found it. What about the,
They're sorted. Said they were sorry.
Well, thank you. And,
yeah!
Apology accepted.
Yeah! Good game. I beat that game on my own, too. I was able to do it.
It's your gun.
It's a good game.
What a good it did me. It should be in more capable hands.
Yeah, it was fun, man. It was a lot of fun. I recommend it.
Since I've known
man, if it didn't have co-op. I might go back to that game and play it for everybody. That's a good game. Okay, so what do I want? I don't have insufficient. I need more reputation. All right, I gotta go kill these. I gotta go into town, kill some bastards, come back, and build up my reputation. Because finally I have sulfur. Yeah, finally I have sulfur. All right, let's go kill some people in town, come back and level up. Hey, Spider-Man, how you doing? Yeah, that red, when they get that red, you ain't gonna be able to stop them from doing shit. Unless you're right in their face and you get lucky. Yeah, and the gun. And here's the thing. I have a long gun too, right? And I'm not all the time, right? Not all the time. But if I blast somebody with a long gun, it'll do like a sniper elite where it'll show the bullet fucking hitting a dude in the chest or the head and blowing their bits out. That was fun, man. It's got all the cool bits of shit I like. This is good. This is a good game. I know it's a good game because people are already shitting on it.
What's this thing?
Yes! Yes! Like I said. Yes! I wish you guys could have seen it. It only happens randomly, though, but when it does, it was like, this is fucking awesome. And some of these mooks are pretty fucking hard. Like that. See, you can only interrupt. See, otherwise you can't block that when they get that red dot. You can only interrupt with your firearm. Very Bloodborne. Yeah, it's a really good game, man. And the deal is with the black powder, it doesn't come automatically. The black powder doesn't come automatically. You don't have to refill the gun or anything, but you have to do, and like each gun is different. So like this gun, look, I only got one charge, right? So this other gun, like here, this other gun here, okay, boom. This is a blunderbuss. This has got 2 charges, but it is not, the guy's got to be almost right on top of you. So if it's a little bit farther away, man, if you're going to block or interrupt, the dude's got to be right on top of you. I'm not a big fan of the blunderbuss. So I love this shit. This stuff, this being able to equip stuff, that's my jam. You know me. I like that. I like that so much. And finding little fiddly bits, like there's shit to find all over. Yeah, I know. I don't know why it's a handgun. I listen. You know, listen. Wave your hands. Magic. Magic. just magic. I do. Not to the extent that Devin does, but I do. I do like that. I like, oh, what's this? Let's try this. This looks like a new gun. Oh, okay, I don't like this. I like this. Yeah. I do. Uh-oh, where are you? Hello, sir. You fucking spider. Yeah, that's right. 100%. Yeah, it's probably tear your hand up. You are very true. Yes, yeah, 100%. You're 100% right. But remember, magic. I mean, I have Snuggles with me, and he's a god. So you know, hand wavy. Some games I absolutely give a pass to, and other ones I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know, because I'm crazy, right? This one I give a pass to because, like, you were in Fantasy World. That other one, that Still Waters, I mean, dude, you know, that guy fell in the water. He should be dead. Pulled him out. Oh, yeah, we just put him in a room with a heater. He'll be fine in a few minutes. No. 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 I like the game, too. Those little weird things. Yeah. Yeah, 100%, right? 100%. And you know, right? It's the genre of the thing, right? You know. Like, we're dealing with gods, we're dealing with weird monsters. Nothing is incredulous here.
Splendid.
Thank you.
We'll make good use of this.
Okay, thank you. These are your ancestors, so if you tap them and kill dudes within a certain amount of time, and I forgot he's here, so this favors you going back and playing, because he'd give you a bonus for dudes you killed, but I've killed everybody before finding him, so yeah, there's that. I don't have enough. I do not have enough. This dude is a bitch. This dude is a bitch. Yes! I don't even know. There, take that. Alright, this guy's gonna tear me up. I need your help, little guy. Ah! Take that! Oh. He's gonna kill me. There! Got him. God, that guy is hard. He is like a lieutenant. That bitch is hard. Yeah, that's true. That is 100% true. I'm just here. I am just here for resources. So I'm going back. No, that is very true. I have made another song with me singing. There is. You can separate it.
The Revenant's lair is down
For the
there.
AI, you can separate it too. Yeah, I think those are called. They call them threads, I think. You have to pay extra, a lot extra for that. Stems! Thank you. Stems. Thank you. See, Adam's a music guy. He knows. Adam is a music guy. He absolutely knows. So here's how I made the newest song I did. And listen, I wrote it down. So it is very Spice Girls. I wrote the lyrics myself, right? And I used 3 different programs. I wrote the lyrics. I put something in. I can't remember what AI. I think it was Copilot. And I said, hey, make a melody for this song. Okay. Then I sang the song the best I could several times. Several times. At a certain point, I just sang. I didn't even sing the whole song. I sang like just a specific part that I tried my best to do. This took a long time. Then I put it into voice mod and had all of that cloned. And then I matched my voice to the lyrics, to the melody, and it made the song. So yeah, so I guess it is my song with a fuckload of help. But I like it. I mean, obviously if I was more talented, and Adam knows, I can't remember. Adam, who are those people that do parodies, but that dude can really sing? I mean, honest to God, I sing like a fucking like a cat in heat. I have no rhythm. I can't. Yeah, there I ruined it. I would recommend you guys check that out because those motherfuckers can really sing.
What's the news?
All right, I want to upgrade. Dude, can I upgrade now? Yes! Yes, okay. Sulfur, I want the axe. Upgrade the axe, please. Upgrade the axe, okay. Uncommon sulfur, give me that. Boom! Take it. And then I want the Marauder's pistol upgraded for more damage. And more fire damage, level 2. Done. Alright, that's what I wanted. And, okay, watch this, dude! Yes! I was watching them. Next song, if I do it, and I probably won't. Listen, man, I know you don't have any time. I know John doesn't have any time, and I want to do this as best I could on my own. So you guys get what you get. I hope you like it. Yeah, no shit, right? Yeah. And if you can't sing, it's very hard. But look at this. Also, Adam, it's got a Witcher-esque card game in it too. Look.
Set us up some Sebo.
Yeah.
I'm up for a quick game.
Okay. Yep, Sebo. And you win points for it. So the deal is you have to make a triangle. And then you have to block with the triangle. So this one, and I'm getting special coins. So this one. No, it's not out. I'll play it later for you guys if you want. And you might not like it. You may go, this is a piece of shit. Okay, so this coin may move 2 spaces. If it does, it can't move the next turn and barricades itself. So nothing can replace it. This one here is a new one. This is jump over another coin. And then this one, I like this one. This one I can swap. But you read it, and it says, and I didn't read it all, you can't swap it to make a triangle. Okay, that's key. So I'm going to replace this. And the maps are different. So this map is different. The maps are all different. So this is actually, I could, if I didn't bore people to death, I would play this fucking game over and over again all night. Because this is fun. Yeah. Okay, so this part is off limits. So the map is like this. All right, so he's controlling the center area. I have to trick him into thinking I'm trying to make something somewhere else. There's a lot of misdirection involved. So like if I put that here, this will never move because he's got to block me. If I put this here, this will never move. So I'm going to move this here in the hopes that he does something to give me some kind of opening. Okay, that is an opening. I'm going to move this here. Oh man, maybe I better not. No, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. All right. Okay. Here. Okay. Boom. I think I can do it if time doesn't run out. If time doesn't run out, I think I can do it. Time may run out. Time may run out. I just need one more turn. Just give me one more turn. All right, so I won. Okay, the next time, and you gotta win twice. So the next one I have to defend. Defending for me is a little bit harder. Okay, and you can't use the same coin twice, so I can't use that one again. So I'm gonna use this one because this is new, and I can jump in a straight line up to an empty space. Where am I gonna put it? I'm gonna put it here. All right, so he starts. Yeah, it's kind of with go. Yeah, kind of like it got some go to it. So, like, a lot of this stuff, I'm fucked. I can't move this one. I think it's dangerous for me to move this one. I think it's very dangerous to move this one. So, man, I'm going to move this here. And that was probably a bad move. No, see, so now this one, I can't move. This one's locked. That piece is locked. So, I'm just going to play a little game here. And see where he goes. So, this one is now locked. And this one is locked. Playing a little game here. I can't move. We'll just go back and forth, my man. Now what? No, that's okay. I can move this one. I can move this one, but the trick is, where do I want to be? If I'm here, I'll be out of position. And then he can go here, here, and here. No, he can't do it. I can move here. I can move here. Yeah, dude, you're stuck. I think I got him. I think I got him. What are you doing? Yep. Boom! No. Thank you. So I get more, I can get special coins, and then I can get reputation. But right now, I'm going to leave, and then I'm going to go over here and rest. And if you rest, you get your health again, but all the monsters come back. Ah, just like Dark Souls. But I have used the patented Adam technique of just, fuck this, I'm gonna run past these sons of bitches. Oh, wait. Maybe I have enough? I got 5. Yeah, man. After a while, you just like, fuck this, I ain't fighting with these guys. Yeah. Passive skill. I love these passive skills, man. Oh, I like this. During combat, priming them in the process. The more damage you're in, the more... I like this one. Can I do this one? No, it's 7. Man, okay, so here's the conundrum. All right, 7. This one, what's this one? This one, you can perform a punch attack after a successful block by pressing right B and continue. Man, listen, this is the problem, right? The more buttons I'm hitting, the worse I fucking get. So I'm going to hold off on that for a bit. Like when I get more comfortable, maybe. You can perform a powerful charge-up attack with your melee weapon by holding. The longer you charge, I might do that one. I might finally do that one. What's this one? When you time your attack to hit an enemy at the same time as a curse attack, you deal bonus damage. No way. No way. What's this? Counter shot. You can perform a firearm counter attack after a successful parry. Nope. Ain't that fast. And this is the Superman dive. Might do the Superman dive. I might do the Superman dive. Consumes black powder. Oh, it could, when airborne, hold plunge to the ground, causing a shockwave. You know what? I do like the Superman attack. Knock back enemies. All enemies hit. The strength of your attack is determined by the distance you plunge. All right. I'm taking suggestions. So this one or this one? No, not this one. This one. So the charge attack or the jump, the Superman jump? What do you think? What do you think? You guys tell me. What do you think? Participation is always encouraged. All right, I guess that's a big that's a big fuck you from the crowd. So I guess I got to pick myself. I do like the Destructive Descent, but I think this one may pay more dividends. So I'm going to go with this one. Boom. Okay. All right.
Gentlemen,
damn right. Damn right.
Better than he was
Stronger.
Before.
Faster.
Better. Stronger. Faster.
Fuck yeah. Alright, Mr. Spider, maybe I can just mind my own business and say fuck off there, buddy. Because, you know, sometimes you don't want to fight the same guys over and over again. At infinitum. Infinitum. Where do I gotta go? I gotta go somewhere around here. There's somebody here, Snuggles? Ah! Ah, fuck. Alright, what do you come at? God, that fucking thing hurts. That acid hurts. I need something to protect me from that acid. Alrighty, fucking alrighty, losing health. Over here. How the fuck do I get? What the? Oh Lord. Holy shit. Alright, well, falling kills you, but if you jump right before you land. Hello. Hello, sir. Oh, god damn. Alright. Come on, you son of a bitch! Drink!
He's getting away!
Okay. Well, we beat him down. Let's get him! Let's get that bitch! That was a big boy. Defeat the leader. I think that was the leader. Alright, so in this, it's also got some biomutant that I really like, where if you defeat the leader of a village, the village opens up and people come back and you get, well, you get cool stuff. Pursue the Revenant. I will.
Incoming!
Where are you?
The darkness you came from!
Really? There's a dude. God damn it! Oh shit! I'm gonna die. That was it for me. That's alright. I didn't have that many souls to lose. Oh, that was a fight. That's a fight! That's a fight there. I'm gonna have to learn to dance with that guy. Let's go get him. Yeah, go away, Mr. Spider. I don't want to fuck around with you. Come on, go away. There we go. There's another one over here, isn't there? It's gonna jump me. Where are you? I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. Oh, hey, I can rest here. Good. I'm just gonna rest. Just to prime it, because it doesn't matter, I haven't lost anything. Okay.
Finally, some respite.
Oh, I don't have to beat. Oh, I love that! I don't have to fight him down there. He's over there now. I love that. I don't have to keep at it over and over again. And I feel a sense of progress in this fucking game. It's like they stripped out the bad shit, the frustrating shit. Yeah, okay, dude. Yeah, okay. Listen, man, I'm not the dude you want for that. I am absolutely not the dude you want for that.
Incoming!
I have no talent at all.
Young?
There, take that. Oh, get out of that. Come on, come get me, bro. Come get me. Come at me. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Oh. I got you, bitch! I got you!
Some motherfuckers are always trying to ice skate uphill.
God damn right.
Look at that.
Woo! That guy was kind of hard. What's this? When you dodge an enemy at the last moment, all enemies around you slow down. That's kind of cool, but man, my dodging, oof, I've seen better days. But you know, I am better at dodging than doing other things. This is kind of a cool thing. When you dodge an enemy. Okay, but what else do I have? Oh no, that's the only thing I do have. Well, that's gonna stay. Sapper Gauntlet. When you attack, you gain a black powder charge. I like that. Or this one, the reach of your melee. I don't care about that. No, I want that. I need that. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. How's skills going? No way. All right, dude. Yeah, we did okay. We did okay. Hello, guys. You guys doing some pickaxing?
Boss. I swear. Just let me rest a while.
Hold on a minute. Let me go back. Did anybody see any flags? Did anybody see any flags? I'm invested in this game. I'm invested. Did anybody see any flags? Alright. I'm just gonna take a once around run to this area.
Finally.
And see if you guys see any flags, let me know. We gotta shoot the bandit flags. I got one. Get up there. This is what I think you're. I don't care about you, Spider, but I don't see any flags right off the bat. I don't see any. If there would be one, there might be one over there. Did I open that area up? I don't see any flags. I don't see any flags. I don't see any.
You're in my way.
I imagine you can also farm, right? I could just sit here and farm these dudes too, very Souls-like. I could just sit here and farm. I get bored with farming, so I don't. I'm just looking for flags. I know I farmed a lot in Elden Ring. I did. I didn't stream many Elden Ring because no. Farming is okay at times, but it's not something to stream with. Sometimes, like, there was a point in Elden Ring where you're fighting these frog guys, and I don't know, I know it sounds silly, but it turned into like a weird Zen moment where you're just kind of like with me washing dishes, and that's my Zen moment. You just sort of like, alright, how do I get over again? Where the fuck am I supposed to be going? Figures I'd get lost. I see him! Die, you creepy spider! Oh, it's over here. Yeah, that's hey, you know what? That's Taoist meditation. That is Taoist meditation. Yeah. Yeah, rest. There's this saying, there's a Buddhist saying, a Zen Buddhist saying, before enlightenment, wash dishes. After enlightenment, wash dishes. Yeah, no, I like that. I prefer the active meditations like Zazen or, frankly, I don't know, feeding animals or gardening than just sitting contemplating my navel. I need to, like, hey, you know what? It's like people would call that like, oh, you're disassociating while you're driving. No, you're kind of meditating. You're kind of actually meditating. Hello, sir.
Forge Master, you came.
You talked a big game back in Mudfish. Had to see it for myself. And I don't even know your name.
Nor Vanek.
I've never seen anyone fight like you, Nor Vanek.
Well, I got little Snuggles with
or
me.
anything like that fox thing.
Yeah, with Snuggles?
What do you call it?
Snuggles.
Enki.
Oh, Enki. I call him Snuggles.
It is. Then, thank you, Enki.
Like I call my dog Mugwump.
As for you, Nor Vanek, You won't go far. if you
Go
keep
for
waving
it, my
the
friend.
banners like a
Take
rag
care.
doll
I hope I
soldier.
see you.
Well
Look,
done
if
for
I don't
so
see you
far, Force
Wednesday
Master.
because you're traveling,
deserve
we'll watch
better.
Solomon Kane together. Just remind me.
safe
But everybody
place to
else,
I'll
Wednesday,
just start a countdown the
7
road.
Central.
We'd be
We're
more
gonna
than
watch a
happy to
movie.
pick you up.
Good. Tell the old hound that Lump is coming.
Nice.
And to reach the city, cut through the foglands to the Black Powder Factory.
Okay.
From there, you can climb all the way up into Rit.
All right.
On it.
Okay, cool. Nice. Here I am in the coffee house.
It feels peaceful here.
Hello. Hello there.
Bandit Banisher? Night Router? Revenant Vanquisher?
Yeah, Wednesday.
How can we ever repay you?
Do you have something for the sulfur stink?
Patience and time are the best remedies. Barring that, on the nose.
Yes, yes, thank you. I don't need the shot. Rumors. A delayed reunion, a shot in the dark. Let's hear this
I'm
one.
worried for one of my patrons, Obas. I warned him that the hills are crawling with dead, but he's gone to meet his daughter there anyway.
I'll keep an eye out for him. Where do they meet, good host?
Atop Enlightened Peak. It's a steep climb, but he looked determined. Keep an eye out for him, will you?
Yeah, okay, done. What's the shot in the dark?
It's a bad time to be in Rid. Folks are disappearing in broad daylight on Bohal the Butcher's orders.
Oh, Lord.
Then someone should free them. Why are they being taken, good host?
Screaming was heard coming from an alley in the slums.
Oh, man.
Perhaps you should look there, if you've the stomach for it.
I got the stomach. All right. Let's see. I think that should be our first quest. And we'll, quests, we'll deal with this butcher ass. Side quest. A shot in the dark. Yeah, investigate the alley. Active quest. We'll make that our active quest. And it's not, I mean, obviously it does have the elements of a railroad, you know, but it doesn't feel too railroady because it's got side quests and stuff. I mean, do I want different pants? I think these cost shit that I'm not willing to pay because they don't do anything for me. So do I want that or do I want a skill? I'll take a fucking skill. I don't understand the clothing. I'm not good enough for fashion game yet. What's this? Acquire skill. 7. I've got 8. I want this. I want that. I want that. Boom. Good. So you deal with the armored guys, Douglas. And you know, reduce their armor so I can beat their ass.
Keep the fire going for me.
Any flags? Any flags around that I can shoot up? Oh, there's a ladder here, which is interesting. Why is that ladder there? I don't know. Can I get
You
up
could have
there?
run when we were fighting the Revenant.
That is true. No more unnecessary risks. Agreed?
I can do that. Don't stand too close to those.
What's wrong?
Those are sulfur and saltpeter kilns. They're making vitriol.
And that's...
They use it to bleach clothes. If you get it on you, it will peel your fur off.
Oh, Jesus. Well, he's a god, so I don't think that'll happen, but, oh, maybe. Ah, here we go. Hello, ancestor.
A blessing. Thank you.
I don't see any flags to shoot up. Oh, I do! Flag! Am I too far away? Let's see. I can't be. Fuck you! Nice. I like that. It's just a little thingamabob, but fuck it, I like it. And there's stuff up there. The question is, how do I get up there? Not here. Nope. Oh. Nope. Now I'm trapped. Am I fucking trapped down here? No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. No, I'll get out. Uh-oh. Interesting. Maybe there is nothing up there. I don't know. Or maybe I can get up there another way if I get stronger. Because there is... Looks like there's some... Maybe not. I don't know,
I'll get
man.
better,
I don't
boss.
know.
I swear. Just let me rest a while.
Anything over here? This is for the war effort. Thank you. I'm not stealing. It's for the war. Going to a good cause. Over here. Man, fishing. Very nice. Fishing. Dude's doing some... Oh, hi. Metal? What is that? Iron? Take that.
Do you think they'll call us cowards for leaving Dawn?
I doubt it. All the brave ones are dead by now. The rest are just cowering.
That's very true. I mean, can't argue that, right? Oh, the Hell's Gates opened up. Big monsters came out. I mean, what the fuck? You know? People do break. It happens. How the fuck do I get over there? Probably around. Anything up there? No, anything over here? Hello, person. How are you doing?
Sulphur's good for the grapes, you know. We'll be stinking, but at least we'll be stinking drunk.
Okay.
As well.
Oh, very nice. A little bit of
I
sulfur
heard the
never
dog
hurt
from
nobody.
Dawn
Ah!
across the bottom of the sea. Reach anywhere in the world. That's not true, is it?
Fuck is it? Anything back here? No. No. How do I get over there? Oh, hi. I was gonna say I should probably look at a map, but then I won't find shit. I will when I get bored. I will look at the map, but right now, and then I'm going back to this way. That can't. You can't go that way. This is the coffee shop. This is the other door to the coffee shop. It's probably up. Hi.
Come on in. We're all friends here.
Very nice. Guy selling his swords? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Anything? Aha! What's this? Sulfur! Fucking awesome.
If I ever get rid of this stink, I'll die happy.
Yeah, sulfur's kind of stinky. It's not good for you either, so I can understand where we I mean, and then, you know, where do you find it, like, you know, geothermal areas
You ever miss
that
home,
are dangerous,
Ollie?
so I can get
I
where
miss
it was
Pa
associated
and
with
Johnny.
hell.
I miss having a roof over my head. Could do without Ma, though.
Can I go up on this? Here, nothing here. How do I get around? This way? No, I'm going the wrong way. I have to figure out where... Yeah, I'm leaving town this way, so that's not good. It's gotta be around here. Because it said a back alley. You know what I hope? Because I don't find much use for AI, except for, I don't know, entertainment. You know, well, I shouldn't say that, because I know, like, when you do astronomy and stuff, it's used for well, it's always used for going through like massive amounts of data. And Adam and I had a talk last night, and I thought it was really good. Where if you could train, and nobody's going to do this, because think about it, it'll take away lawyers' job. If you could train it to go through like a massive contract and look for certain words that are like, I know what you're trying to do, asshole. You know, I mean, that would save time. This guy wants to play. I don't want to play right now. So that would be cool. But I don't see any other use for it. I don't see it revolutionizing business.
That's not true.
I don't see it doing any of that. I think it could, but the idea of it, yeah, and it has been, but the idea of it, like, taking away,
Self was good for the
like,
grapes.
oh, all these
We'll be
businesses
stinking.
using it and
Well,
stuff.
At least we'll be
I think that's ridiculous.
drunk.
I think we're already
Well.
starting to see it implode. Can I get up there? Can I get up here? How do I get up there? All right, I gotta take a look at the map, guys. 'Cause I don't see a
Do
way
you
to
think
get
they'll
over
call
there.
us
Oh,
cowards for leaving Dawn?
well, I could
I
try
doubt
that
it.
way.
All the brave ones are.
Map. Here I am. Where the fuck do I need to go? Oh, well, you know what? That's powder and steel. That's not what I want. A delayed reunion? That's not what I want. Where's the other one? How do I get here? A shot in the dark. How the fuck do I get there? Around, and over. Ah, okay, so I do. All right, wrong way.
The rest are just.
Good thing I
cowering.
checked the map, but if I had checked it earlier, I wouldn't have found cool stuff. So, you know. Screw you guys. I have found another spooky game for Wednesday since we beat since we beat Stillwater. So I imagine we're gonna play this for quite a few Mondays.
You ever miss home,
And then
Ollie?
Friday
and Johnny.
for the shoot 'em up game,
miss having a roof
I
over
found
my head.
another one
Could do without
because we
Marlowe.
beat Cultists. So we've got 40k bolt gun, but I have another one called Warlock that is very reminiscent, retro, but modern. So that'll be fun. And like I said, Wednesday night will be movie night. Thursday night, I'm hoping I will play Rogue Trader with Adam and Anarchy. And Saturday, Jesus, man, my week is packed. Wow, look at, I'm like a big time streamer. Saturday, I'll play Stardew Valley with Lily, and then Saturday's sort of like if you know, if we got free time later, we'll just do something.
Just move fast, breathe through your mouth.
Is that what sappers do?
That was other things before I became a sapper, Enki.
Nothing here. Is there? Oh, I want that so much. How do we get that?
my way.
Hi, buddy. How you doing? I mean, you gonna turn around? Hey, I like that. The power attack works. I want that. Where was that? Where did we see that? Right over there, that red. We want that red. I don't know how to get to it. Let's look around. Probably a terrible idea. Yeah, what were you talking about? My bones? You were gonna eat my bones? What? I didn't. Yeah, no, I didn't. What? Huh? I didn't hear you. I didn't quite make that out over me smashing your head in.
Relic's power. I feel it in my blood.
Okay. I don't even know where the fuck you are, dude. Oh, god damn. That dude is strong. He's strong. I should have snuck snuggles on him, but I'm trying to get better at fighting these fuckers. I don't have to collect anything I've already collected, which is fine. I just leave town.
Careful with the landing.
Yeah, I know. I think it's stuck. I don't know. What do you think? I think it got me some points.
Swear. Just let me rest a while.
You all right, man?
You expect me to believe the dead just ripped apart my debt ledger and left everything else intact?
Why, that is strange. Was it anyone you knew, do you reckon?
Right, here we go. Look around. There it is. That's what our goal is. That's what we want. I don't know how to get there, but we're going to try to find out. I have a feeling it's jumping in down here. Anything over here? Hold on, I didn't look up here. Stairs. What is this? Iron. I didn't see shit, but okay. Good thing I went up there.
On your guard.
Come on, come get me. Come get me, dude. Your magic sword. Come get me. Oh, I think you died by fire damage. Oh, that's a pity. Alright, where are these motherfuckers? How about this? Hey! Have a grenade! Really? You bothering Snuggles? That's a terrible mistake. Ow. What do you want, Siri? Oh, commercial. And where are the rest of these dudes? Okay, what do we got here? Probably some coins.
What's this then?
Coins? Alright, we gotta be very careful. Something's going on up here. Here's this
You picked
dude.
the wrong fight.
Oh god, why'd I do that? I see the red, man. He's gonna kill me again! No powder. Yeah! Come on, come on! Oh god, he's gonna kill me! I thought I killed him. I just took his shield away. Fuck you, you bitch. Whew. No health. Okay, let's see if we can push this a little bit, see what's over here. We might need to get the fuck out of Dodge. Another. Ah! Yeah, fuck you, funny grenade man. Whoa! No. Well, yeah, okay, maybe. What do we got? More sulfur?
I'll
Alright.
just take this.
I have no idea where I am. I'm completely turned around and lost.
Something isn't right. Tread carefully.
Alright, hold on. I don't even know if that's where I need to be. I'm just trying to get the health. Let's take a look at the map. Here, right here. Can I zoom in? Center on page. No, I can't zoom in. Can't zoom in. But it is right here, so I need to... Maybe I just need to be on the path and I'm off the path. Maybe I'm doing a lot of work for nothing. Let's go back. Damn my insatiable curiosity.
I'll just take it.
Hold on. Okay, this is the path. That's the path I came from. We're just gonna keep on trucking. I've been up there. Been over here. I guess inevitably it'll lead me that way, won't it? Yeah. Fuck. Look, it's right up there. How do you get that from up there? Up here? Up here? No, because this is where the sapper... This is where the fucking dude was, right? It's that way, and over around that way, and up. And I can't climb that, can I? No, I can't climb it. I gotta go through those assholes. Yeah, maybe I can do it. Maybe not. Either way, gotta go through them. Gotta go through them. See how this works. Maybe I can take some of these assholes out, though. Even the odds a bit.
Don't let her near the manifestation.
Kill her.
Another one would be nice. Here, take that, bitch. Huzzah, huzzah. Ah. Ah! Ah! Come on, come on, come get me. Come get me, Shield Man. Come get me, Mr. Shield Man. Ah, fuck! Those guys are hard. Shield dudes, hard. There is a way, if you parry, I remember, you can pull the fucking shield off, but requires a parry. And you guys know I ain't great. I ain't great at parrying. That's the one thing I really liked about Sekiro, where you could get that fucking axe and just grab their shield and just pull it off. I'm like, hey, nice axe, nice shield, bitch.
Just let me rest a while.
You expect me to believe the dead just ripped apart
Did
my
I
debt
take a look
ledger and
over
left
here?
everything
Yeah,
else
I did,
intact?
right?
Aye, that is strange. Was it anyone you knew, do you reckon?
Bloody bridge is blown out. Bloody air reeks of sulphur. We're supposed to live like this.
I mean,
it's this or hiding in the hills, mate. Up to you, really.
I mean, you don't have to. Have to. All right, I don't have to dance with those guys down there. I know he goes forward.
Here they come.
There you go. Now you're dead. Fuck you. Ah, this fucking it. What do I do? Ah, I can't block that. Yes! All right, took your shield away, bitch. Nice! Fuck you! Nice! Yeah, how'd that feel? How'd that feel? Sting a little, don't it? Thank you. Hello there.
Let's get this over with.
You guys can all fuck yourselves. What's this?
What is that thing? It hurts to look at.
Oh, light it up.
A spell harvested from the great below. Too dangerous to leave unattended.
All right, what do you want me to do with it? Life surge. I don't know what that means. I don't like it.
Unworthy scum.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know the powers you mess with.
Okay. 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 Unworthy. Okay. Whoa! You got some juice there, huh? Oh, that hurt. That hurt. That hurt. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Take that. Oh, no. Come on. Yes! 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 Woo! I like this. You know why? Fucking Dead Souls, when it looks like you're about to get it, You get fucked in the ass. This, you actually have the fucking, like, you beat her. You beat it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. You know what? It's time. It's time. Hold on.
Yes, it's gonna come.
You see, I've been leveling up this whole time.
Fuck yeah! Okay, hold on a minute. Before we do that, I got two. Where the fuck? Map. It was. I love that. I love that show so much. I love that show so much. It reminds me, it's deeply in my mind Western versus Eastern culture. Yeah. I mean, it really is. Like, you're locked in your position, don't try to change, and then this guy is like, you know, given whatever, and then it's like, no, I can get better. I can fucking get better. Yes, it is. I really like the anime. I actually bought some of the story. It's quite good. How do I get up there? It's right there. How do I get up there? This castle. No, I'm not leaving without trying to get up there. Alright, here we have this castle. It's right there. I have a castle. I cannot scale these walls. Maybe.
So, what were you before you became a sapper exactly?
I was a trapper. That's someone who opens and closes vents to a mine.
Did you? Nice.
I was old enough.
Nice.
We had to put food on the table.
Much respect, man. Anybody? Anybody got any time? Anybody want to fuck with me? Yeah, you do, don't you? Oh, shield dude. Okay, alright. With the fucking... God damn it. God, those shield guys are so hard. I missed. What are you doing? You stuck in a wall, bitch? You stuck? Are you stuck? Are you glitched, sir? Have you glitched out, sir? Why don't I just let you burn right here? Yeah! I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. Where are you going?
Sure beats walking.
There it is. There it is, guys. We found it. We found it. I don't have time for you fuckers. I don't have time for you two either, asshole. I have to get this. I'll be right back. Why is it locked? Why are you locked? Because there are bad guys about? Why are you fucking locked? Oh, it's not locked now. Okay, it was locked before. Yes! Yes, I need that. Thank you, Shrine.
These shrines look well tended. That forgotten
god hi.
must have been important.
Hello. Really? Okay, hi. You here? You wanna say something to me? It appears that you've gotten much stupid. I did it! We wanted that and we got it. Where do we need to go? What's over here? Anything over here? Yeah, there is something over there. Right there. Okay. Let's open these up. Let's open these through ways. Anything up here? No, I don't see anything up there. All right. What? Oh, nice! It basically goes back. Look. Oh, I love that. I love that. Look at that. Dude, look at that. That is awesome. So you don't have to, it's effectively fast travel. You don't have to deal with, oh, that's genius. Like, I don't want to deal with this shit. This game has taken drudgery out of the equation. 100%. Fucking 10 out of 10. No, you don't understand. You've torn out the heart of the Dark Souls experience. You know what? Yeah, Nick Beards, go fuck yourself. Listen, you may want to get smashed in the dick with a hammer all day. Some of us don't, okay? Some of us don't. Some of us enjoy having the, you know, the power fantasy. You just gotta get good, bro. How about I just want to have fun because I'm playing a game? How about I don't need to put that kind of effort, maximum effort into an endeavor that I just want to have fun in? How about that? Hi. You fuck yourself. Oh, Shield Dude. I hate you so much, Shield Dude. I don't have any health left. This is not going to go well. And I have to get over there, and I don't see a blue. I think I need to get back to the... and run by these guys. Yeah, I got to get back down there. This will not go well for me. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Two is gonna get me jack and shit. 11. So the next I need is at least 5. I don't want that punch. The next I need is at least 5.
Feeling pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good. What's down here? Who's Jack? Oh, holy shit, holy moly. Hello. Okay, well, if you're lead, oh, I see. Oh. Well, oh, I didn't rest. I didn't rest! I'm an idiot! I thought I rested. I didn't rest! I'm a fucking clown! I thought I rested. Got out of there with my life intact. We're gonna rest now. Jack and shit. I get it. I get it.
That's better.
Thank you. She gave me a verbal cue that she was fine, so I'm like, well, I mean, everything must be fine.
I'll send you below.
Nice! Get it off of him! Uh-huh. Alright, come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me. Gonna go red? Where you gonna go? Yes! Fuck you! When you actually do it, when you pull off the parry, you feel like a goddamn champ. You do. You really feel like a goddamn just a super Chad. Hello, sir. Have a grenade. That's for you. Oh God, red. Oh, they always with the fucking red. Oh, God! Ah, got me. Those guys are so fucking hard. That's all right. We're gonna keep at it. We're gonna fucking keep at it! I don't know why. Somehow, I have not lost interest. This is fun. 5 it is. There he is. You know what? That Superman jump actually would have been pretty good. Yes! How you doing, bro? Bro, come on. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? You gonna go red? Ah! I got your fucking number, you bitch! When are you gonna go red? You gonna go red? Ah, fuck you! Ah, yeah! You do. You feel like a goddamn champ when you do that shit. Hello, sir. Have a grenade. Would you like another grenade? God, oh, they tear the fuck out of me. They're so strong. Whoa. Oh my God, what is going on? I don't know what's happening. Oh, there's a grenade guy. That's what's going on. Thanks for killing your own dudes, you dumb fuck. Woo! What's this? What do we have here? All right, all right, all right. When you apply 4 curses to a single enemy within 10 seconds, you create an explosion that damages all enemies. That's cool. I don't want to wear it. I don't want to wear that right now, but that is cool. That I like the Death's Head. I'm not doing curses yet, I don't think. That's probably something to hold on to for later. I like it. Worked out well. Now, how the fuck do I get up there? There's the Y. Do I have to, I think I need to make the jump. And if I'm gonna do that, might as well go back and refresh. Like there's not this so far I haven't like, oh, I have to hit this and I don't because all these enemies. No, man. No, I don't have to go down there that way. I got what I wanted. Fuck it. I like this.
Finally, some respite.
Yeah, I can't say enough about this game. It's a lot of fun. I don't know if I can't make that jump. Can I make the jump? Fuck. I don't know if I can. Can I get over here? How do I make that jump? There's no way. Yeah, no way. I don't have the height.
Get ready.
No. Hold on. How do we get over there? Interesting. There has to be. I think I can get it from a higher vantage point. Like up here. Yes, indeed. Like right here. Oh, fuck these guys. Oh, with the fucking red again. I just mistimed that. So, come on, dude. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Oh, with the red again. Oh, God. God damn! At least I know which way to go. I mistime the fucking red. Oh, every time. There's got to be some pattern I'm not seeing. Like maybe two sticks? That was a guy throwing a grenade. I don't think the grenade guys give two shits about their friends. I'm just gonna put that out there. I don't think the grenade guys give two shits.
Put 'em up.
There. Oh, God! Woo! Okay. Hey, man, shield guys are hard. Shield dudes are hard. There's got to be some way to overcome the fucking shields, other than this parry. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll get by. Prepare yourself, dude. Prepare yourself. Because you know what it's gonna play if I get past these dudes.
Sure beats walking.
Hello. Have a grenade. You too. Have a grenade. Again with the red. See? Ah, 3 times. 3 times. Do I have enough? I can block him. Yeah! Alright, I'm sick of your shit, dude! You too, Mr. Grenade Man. I'm sick of your shit too. Ah, yes! That was fucking... You know what that was?
Luck often enough will save a man if his courage hold.
I told you it was coming. I told you it was coming. Let's get this dumb motherfucker. I think you've adapted. I think you've adapted. I think you're okay. I think you know what's coming. We've been over there. We've been over there. We've been over there. We've gotten the health. Time to go through. It's all right. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. What we got going on over here? What kind of skullduggery do we have here? Any flags? There is I see a flag.
Back! You rotters! Back!
He looks like he could use a hand.
Yeah, yeah. We're giving him a hand.
Appreciate the assistance. Knight Gimu, at your service.
Well, I'm not a knight, so...
Norvanek.
Yes, I've heard of you. The woman that killed the Whitebridge horror.
Yeah.
How come you aren't attacking me? Like the rest of your order?
I'm sworn to keep the...
Oh, no.
Containing the dead is my priority. If anyone asks, I never even saw you.
Okay. Hey, man.
Tread carefully, Norvanek.
Okay. Fair enough, man.
That I will do.
Yeah, thank you. All right. Very nice. Is there a flag over here? Thought I saw a flag. I don't think that's the proper flag, though. That's a pretty bratty flag. Over here. Oh, it's a thing. Okay. Your friend. Rest. Hello, you two. How you doing?
Torturing that poor guitar, I see.
It's that or whistling. Can't for sore eyes. What's the news?
I just realized you called Young Lump. Young called you Old Hound. Like the joke.
Took you long enough?
It's nothing. A trifle for children.
Lump went hunting with his old hound, and the hound would point to things. Did you see this? Did you see that?
No and no. Lump would grumble, until the hound said, again, did you see that?
Aye, I did, Lump rumbled.
Then why'd you step in it?
I
don't get it.
Okay, alright. I don't think there's anything to upgrade. We can see.
I hope you're on so far.
Upgrade. What can you upgrade? Oh, you can you? Nice. I'm going to upgrade this. Yes. Not this one so much. He stepped in shit!
Always a pleasure, Fortmaster.
Good to see you.
The dog's hunting, but it's also looking out for shit. Harbinger's axe. Don't have the reputation. I got the reputation for blunderbuss. More reputation for the pistol. Is that the pistol? What? That looks like... No, I guess it is a pistol. That's hers. I don't care about that. I want this one. You know, this one does more bullets, though, but I don't have the reputation. I have this blunderbuss that, frankly, no, I'm not really interested in. It may come in handy sometime, but I'm not really interested. Upgrade. I can upgrade the axe again, and I'm going to do it. Boom. I'm going to do it. Epic! Epic axe. What do we got going on here? Hey, guy. How are you doing? How you doing, my friend? All right. Am I all kitted out? Guys, I have to go to the bathroom. So, all right, here we go. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I have to go to the bathroom. And to get out of this game, Control, Alt, Delete. I don't know. I can't escape. Can't escape without it. I don't know. I'll be back. Just running to take a piss. I'll be right back.
They think I won't last, but I've seen shadows move in the dead of night, face the streets they can't fathom, survive the darkest fight. They don't understand what I've been through, waking nightmares and skies turning blue. But I hold my ground every single day, while they live in a world where monsters don't stay. I fight the monsters, what I've been through, waking nightmares and skies turning blue. But I hold my ground every single day, while they live in a world where monsters don't stay. I fight the monsters, the ones you can't see. They haunt your dreams, but they live with me in the dead of night, when the world is still. I face the darkness, bend it to my will. Voices in the void, they scream and they plead. I've walked through nihility, it's the path I lead. You call it insanity, but it's my truth. Every scar tells a story from my wasted youth. You think I'm broken, you think I'm lost, but I've battled the devil in the highest cost. fight the monsters, the ones you can't see. They haunt your dreams, but they live with me. In the dead of night, when the world is still, I face the darkness, bend to my will. And when the dawn breaks, they scatter like ghosts, but I'm still standing. I'm the one who knows. In the light of day, I might seem insane, but in the heart of night, I embrace the pain. So call me crazy, call me what you need, but I walk through shadows and I've been free.
Yeah, so that was it. I hope you, I mean, yeah. I don't know. I like it. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it for a while. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it for a while. It's the lyrics that mean the most to me. And like I said, having somebody else sing it, I don't know. It just didn't seem right. It didn't seem right. So all that voice is me, and if it has a country twang, the only way I could get high enough to note was to sing in this country twang. So all that was me. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Sort of a deeper pitch. Yeah, I try. It's so hard, dude, because you can't, like, it's all baked in, so it's very hard to modulate that. I don't know what I could do. Like, I might be able to go and cut it in Reaper, and then maybe down pitch it, and then reattach it. It's so hard to do with shit that's baked in. Like, you know, the trick is everything works better if you can sing well, and I don't sing well. Yeah, no, I get you. Yeah. I got it. I understand. Let's see what I can let's see what I can play with. I don't know. Maybe I could down pitch it. Maybe I could down pitch it. I still need to sound like me, but I understand what you're saying. All right.
Is that or whistling?
All right. We got to go find this butcher dude. You know, the thing about it is, it's funny you say that, because the worst part was that trying to get the higher notes. I think I can do low. So that's kind of cool. I mean, I think that is not beyond reasonable for me to do that. Just a pinch or two lower. Like, look at me talking like I'm a fucking. Look at me. Look at me sounding like I know what I'm doing about music. But yeah, okay. I will try it. What time is it? All right, we got an hour left, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, who's this dude? Hello, sir. You're a... Oh, you got an axe. Fucking all right. Oh, right twice to the face. Okay. God damn! He looked like a badass. That guy looked like, I mean, come on. That guy looked like an absolute badass. I give it to him. Looked like an absolute badass. Reputation lost. Not really. I didn't have much to begin with.
Fear not. Whatever happened to him?
He's Judge Mercy now.
Wow, what's Siri doing? Siri bot has a lot of issues and a lot of streams. Nah, it makes sense. SiriBot is having some... ever since... I think it has more to do with fucking Twitch. Where'd that guy go? Alright, he might be over there somewhere. SiriBot is having some, yeah.
What's that?
Over here. Here. And this is back to the... right? I wonder, what's the deal with that? Interesting. Okay. Boom. Yeah, well, you know what I think it is? I think it's... Look, I know you're not supposed to put... Like, I'm old and cynical. I know you're never supposed to put, like... What is that old phrase? Don't blame... you know, don't blame malice when it's stupidity. No, I think this is just a pitch for them to ask for more money. Like, oh, shit's falling apart. We need more money. Everybody needs to chip in, so we're gonna give you less. Thanks. Thanks. You're already killing my channel with 40-minute commercials. I'm exaggerating. At the beginning that I think I turn off, but I can't. And then you advertise on my channel that you can save money and go ad-free. And you know where that money goes? Not to me! Not to me! It goes to Twitch. So fuck you, Twitch. You give me another "we all need to tighten our belts" speech, I'm gonna tell you to fuck yourself and get yourself another giant yacht. Where did that guy go? I didn't beat him. That guy beat my ass. Did I? Where did that? Oh, where did that guy go? Where did that guy go? Is that him right there? No, I don't know where that guy... That's not him. Dude, I'm looking for somebody else. You are not the guy. Yeah, fuck Turbo. I mean, listen, I you know what? Normally I say you do you, but if you value the creators, fuck Turbo. You're just giving money to Amazon. And they got plenty. Yeah, not the same company, whatever, blah, 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 running in a deficit. That ain't my problem, Twitch. You know what your problem is? Is to have content creators. I'll show you. Hey, blank screen, right? Blank screen. Let's make some money off blank screen. Yeah, but technically they say they're different, you know, different branch and all this other stuff. But it's an Amazon company, so... And they've been running at a deficit for years. You know, fuck you. That's all I gotta say. Fuck you. I'm sorry, man. I have no time for Big Mom and Dad Corpo, quote unquote. I'm being facetious. Big Mom and Dad Corpo, because the last time they said shit, they're like, oh, we all gotta be in this together and all this other stuff. Motherfucker, what are you talking about? And I'm not even talking about me. Okay, hey, I got money last month and I really appreciate it because I was able to buy stuff for the squirrels and the deer, and I really appreciate that. I'm not trying to make a living like Senpai Relic or Senpai Elder Grandpa, okay? This is not a career for me. No, well, here's the deal. Okay, it is technically a different branch. It's a different company. So they are quote unquote running at a deficiency because legal maneuvering makes them, you know, different.
So the coalition chose you because you had been a trapper.
But yeah, I agree.
They chose me
I
because
agree
I was
with
good
you.
at making dugouts and at crawling out of them when the dead would flood into them, and then they'd collapse.
Did that happen often?
I think
Often
that
enough
is
to get me a
just
medal. Everywhere.
you know what? And frankly,
Can't even stop.
frankly, some companies run other companies for a deficit for tax write-offs. Because it helps them. So I don't want to hear that they're not profitable. Because if everything was going to shit, they'd shut down. I mean, they fucking shut down their entire South Korea operation because they quote-unquote said the rules were too hard. I mean, fuck. All right. So it doesn't exist. I don't know what they use in South Korea. I kind of feel bad. But don't give me some bullshit like, oh, we get no. You just didn't want to play by their rules, so you just shut everything down. You know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of old school Standard Oil. Like, he didn't want to follow the rules in a state, so he's just like, well, I'll just guess I'll close my whole company then. Was that the dude? I don't know what happened to that guy throwing axes at me. Frankly, I don't care. So, you know, I don't know. It's all just a game. It's all just a game. I mean, think NFL, right? Technically a non-profit. So, guess what? They make zero. At the end of the year, their books are zero because they're a non-profit. Yeah, go fuck yourself. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. What happened? Oh, is he the guy who stole a bunch of shit and they put him in prison?
Live in the Great Below.
Most of us, yes.
Then, do you know, do all of us turn into them? The dead?
Not exactly. When you die, your soul drifts to the Great Below.
No, I've never heard of it.
The god of death takes away every sorrow and every memory, leaving you a clean slate. Your new body is unrecognizable in the Great Below.
Okay.
So, you disappear.
From this world? Yes. But you were never forgotten.
Okay. Well, that's an interesting take. That's sort of like a reincarnation kind of thing. Okay, somebody threw down a skeleton. The fuck is going on up there? Oh, there's a ladder. Okay. Ladder. I guess I'll take this ladder up. But in God's name. And he capitalized on it, I imagine. What? Why? Why did he do it? I mean, did he just do it to prove a point that he could, or? You know, I would buy that he did it. Like, I know that people bring up stuff and they're just not responded to, right? It's like, hey, I'm trying to tell you there's a deficiency. I'm trying to tell you there's something wrong. And nobody listens, and I know people get frustrated and then they exploit the system. Or was it like this guy? Why? Why? But why? Why? I always wonder, like, what? Why? Why? I mean, that's your fucking accomplishment, my man? What is that? Okay. Woo! Ow. Oh. Oh, gotcha. Oh, looks like you died from my fucking axe! Uh-oh, time to go.
Is that what happens to gods when they die?
I wouldn't know.
He's not dead. I don't know. It's some asshole I beat on. Couldn't tell you.
Like you do.
But there's something back there, so hold on.
Could all just be over.
Oh. That was I don't know what that was. Mini boss?
I know the feeling.
Whew. That was something. So did what happened to him? And did he have a motive or what the fuck? Just to get back at them for doing what though? Was he fired or something? And one of those kind of deals? Where I'll just like, I'm gonna crash your server because you fired me. See? Hello. Hello. Okay, I think I am here. Yes! Yeah, me too. Me too. Rest. My God, I hope they strengthened their system. 4,000. What do I got here? 7. I guess we'll go with, you know what? We will go with, I'm not doing that one. We're going to go with this one. So I fall down. I hit right button to plunge to the ground, causing a shockwave. I'm going to do the Superman one. I can't buy it? Insufficient funds? I thought I had enough. I need 1,000 more. Fuck. Never mind. Yeah, right? Well, I mean, yeah. Famous last words. Who's this dude?
Put him up.
What do you got there? You got there, man. Oh God, that was a human. Sorry, buddy. I mean, sorry. This. Oh, it's another. Oh, these guys suck. Come at me, bro. Oh! God, that hurt. Here, allow me to return the favor. How do I get up there? Interesting. How do I get up there? Looks like that way. Come on, bird. I don't want any trouble from you. Get off me, chicken! Oh, the chicken's got me! The chicken's got me! Brutal. The brutal world of chicken fighting. More like an ostrich, but you know what I'm saying. Giant chicken. Giant chicken.
Put him up.
Yeah, he really does. He's a little pissed off, man. It's like an evil, was it Chocobo? Fucking evil Chocobo. Oh, God. Ah. Oh, God. Hey, why don't you guys have a fucking plow?
That one hurt.
Yeah, that one did hurt. I'm doing my best. Oh, fuck. Fuck this. I may need to use the other gun, man. Yeah, they are. I mean, I think I may need to use the other gun. Because, I mean, I only got one shot with this fucking thing. I see you, asshole. Oh, and I still got shot! And I knew you were there! My fault. Yeah, you finished reloading? You finished reloading, my man? How you doing? Oh, okay, ma'am. Sorry. Looks like you didn't finish reloading. Ah, there's something right there, but I don't know if I can make that jump. Maybe I can. Let's try it. Oh, yes! Fucking chicken! Fuck you, chicken! Where's this go?
Ready to fly.
Let's go. Where? Where to? Nowhere. Up, down, up. Oh, there's something up there. Nothing? Up there? I don't think so. Over here? This is weird. It's just in the middle of nowhere. Very weird. Very, very weird.
That one hurt.
Eyes peeled, no.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so let's try the Superman jump. That didn't work. That was not the Superman jump I was intending. I'm just swinging wildly with the axe. Oh, fuck.
What's this then?
Go up here. I really enjoy this game. Oh, you know what? I don't have the Superman. That's why, you fucking idiot. You didn't have enough money to buy it. That's right. Well, I didn't buy it. That's the thing, too. There you go, chicken. Hi. Oh, I missed.
Was talking about.
Get off me! Get off me! Oh, fuck. I need my shit. Okay, going back. We're going back. We're going back, because I probably need the Superman jump at this point. And I think I'm going to need to upgrade the other gun. Just one bullet ain't cutting it anymore. I like this one, but one bullet, oof. Where the fuck is it? Is it over here? Oh, hold on. It's got to be somewhere. Oh, what's this? It's a new one. Oh, yeah. Death always causes you reputation loss. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Shelby's walking.
There it is. There it is. That's where I need to go. Wait 1 sec, though. I did find something interesting.
That's better.
Like, what's over here? Here's some guy who wants to play, there's a guy who wants to play, the game with me. Then we have this. Where the fuck are we? Oh, I know where we are. I know where we are. I know, man. It's gotta be rough, right? Okay. Oh, we crossed the bridge. Remember, we were looking on how to get to that other way. Yeah, that's the one we want. Oh, I found a flag, too. Good, good, good. Fuck that flag. Fuck your bandit flag. Fuck your bandit flag. Alright, well, we're in the right place, little guy. We're in the right place, Snuggles. Around here. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't buy it. I still didn't buy it. I think it's time. Let's do it. Boom. All right, on the way down, right bumper. Let's arrest too. Why not? Doesn't matter. We're not going back that way. Okay.
I feel like the karma.
Thank you for showing up, by the way, Daft. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the insanity.
You're in
If you're looking for competence, you're in the wrong place. You're absolutely in the wrong place. Any sort of gaming competence, don't come here. Yeah. It is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do, Nightbot? What did you do? I don't know what Nightbot did. I don't know. Nightbot acts crazy sometimes. Don't mind him. Nightbot's been drinking. Last week, Nightbot and the other bots were fighting with each other. I found that amusing. Yep. I don't know. I wish I did. I have no idea. You know what? Hello, sir. All right. Yeah, the other gun is better, but man, 3 rounds versus 1. Yeah, 3 rounds versus 1 is a big deal. All right, this son of a bitch is gonna shoot me. Hello. All right, that time you didn't get me, you son of a bitch. That time, not this time. Fuck yourself. Anything else over here? I don't understand that one that's just sort of out there. There's chicken. This one, like, you're just here. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Or is it to get over here?
That one hurt.
That's okay. That's okay. Hey man, take care. Like I said, I'm only gonna be on. I'm gonna be on for about a half an hour. There's supposed to be like big storms coming, so I'm probably just gonna, you know, prepare the house and shit. Oh, there's a dude right there. Perhaps I can shoot him. Do I need a steady aim? Oh, maybe I need more range. Ah, there we go. Look, I showed you. Look at that. Like Sniper Elite, man. I love that. I love it. That was cool. I mean, in a tragic, horrifying way, of course. That was fucking cool. Can I get up this way? Nice, nice. See, I told you. Nope, not up there. In here. Take care, man. Like I said, I hope you're around for Wednesday on the Discord.
I'll cherish this.
Okay. And that's back where I came. Don't need to go that way. I want that red. I want that red area there. Nice, dude. Thank you.
Get ready.
Surprise, motherfucker! Fuck you, chicken! Fuck you, chicken. Oh, there's one up here. Let's go up here and see where that goes. Where? Where are you? Where do you go?
Should take it.
Fuck you, Big Bird. What's going on up here? Oh, there's some shit down here. Okay. Thank you.
I'm sure you'll find a use for it.
I'm sure I will. But I want that red right there. Let's take a look. How do I get that? How do I get that? Right there. Right down there. Right down there. All right. Surprise! Bam! How? Okay, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I hear its power. It's calling me. It's best not to ask. Look, magic. Magic. Haven't you ever been to like the Renaissance Fair and you ask them how they use credit cards or get you know, Coca-Cola or Pepsi? They just hand wave. Magic. Oh, that hurt. Ow, that was not good. I tried to do the Superman thing, it didn't work. Get out of here, chicken! Fuck. Oh, shit! Thanks for letting me know you were right there, asshole. I have to get up there. See what's going on with... They're taking... this is a side quest. They're taking, like, people away or something. Fuck you, chicken! Not so tough now, are you, chicken? This fucker's gonna kill me, though. No shit, right? Oh! 100%. That's why. I don't have the explosives, so we're gonna wait. But I don't think I even need to go there right now. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe I do. I'll look around for it. If I need to find it, I will find it. Over there. And something in the well. There's something in the well! Oh, nice. Okay. After moving this coin, may barricade adjacent opponent's coin. If it does, it cannot move again next turn and barricades itself to prevent movement. I think I have something similar to that. Oh, yeah. No. It will. Yeah. It will.
What's that?
Yeah. I just gotta find it. It's just about finding it. Question is, where is it? Like, no, we've been there. That's how you do it. Okay, that is how you do it. Anything. Look around for a barrel of, well, a powder keg. Let's look around for a powder keg. I have to get up there. Yes? Yes? Did you find it? Oh, hi. Was Let's rock. Up there. I know I've been up here, but hold on. Oh no, that just shows me where to put it. No, it's gonna look like a normal barrel. It's gonna look like a normal barrel. That just shows you where to put the barrel. We'll find it. It's got to be around here somewhere. Find it. It might be down here. No, nothing up here. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Nothing down here. Nothing around. No, I am really having a lot of fun with this game. A lot of the drudgery of Dark Souls and everything has been removed. I like more loot. I like more customization. It's very cool. I like fighting different monsters. It's like they've done everything that I have asked for thus far. And the dudes are hard, man. I like it. They're hard. Hard for me. That might not be hard for somebody with normal talent, but they're hard for me, so that's good enough. God, this one, no. That's not it. I wish it would. What? Oh, hello.
Come at me.
Oh, he's red. Thank you. Is there anything here? Oh, where? Okay. It's probably me, and I can't see it. But we'll keep looking. Yeah, I wish you could use these, but you can't. It is a small barrel. Shouldn't be too hard to find. I think I've killed every motherfucker here too. So we'll see. Oh, let's go up here. It might be up here. No, I've been here. I've been here already. Thing down here. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. In here? No. Here? Alright, it's gotta be here somewhere. It's gotta be here. Keep your eyes out. No. This shit over here? No. Over here? Sometimes you just can't find shit. No. Usually it's I haven't had trouble finding it before, but hey man. This is different. Ah! No. Sometimes if you go by and it says open, but otherwise no. Anything over here? Like on the beach? No. There's a ship that fell down. Anything? Did I miss these? Is it hidden behind here? No. Hidden over here? No. Hidden around here? No. What the fuck? Alright. That can't be the barrel. It's in the water. You can't swim. You can't swim in this game. You will die. Maybe that's what it's for. Maybe this one is... Yes! Is it... Ah! I found it! Fuck. Okay, we found it. That's what it looks like. Alright, so falls, like being on an elevator, which, listen, this is all horse shit, right? If you jump at the last minute, a fall won't kill you. So, here. Ah! Got it. Yeah, no. Otherwise, that fall would fucking kill your ass. Get in here.
Come
Barrel.
back this time, all right?
Back up. Nope, not at all. Not at all. Not in the slightest. Not in the slightest.
That's
But you've heard that too, right? Jump when an elevator's going down at the last minute. You'll save yourself. No. No, you will not. You will die.
Shot wounds.
That's not how physics works. Let me introduce you to something called inertia. What is this? Hand mortar. A mortar lobs a shell that explodes at a 6-meter radius, damaging all enemies caught in the blast.
Coalition gun. How in the pits did that get here?
Normally, when it gives you shit, it wants you to try it out. So, oh, I've equipped it. Have I equipped it? Yeah, look at that. Okay, instead of my long gun, I can have the mortar. Okay, long gun, mortar. Okay. I have 1 health left. Alright, well, let's try this thing. Fire in the hole! Oh, you guys want something from me? Hi. Let me show you a little trick. Something that God taught me once. Something that God taught me. Do that in Dark Souls. Thank you, Snuggles. I love this fucking game. Thank you, Snuggles. That fucking was epic. Let's get up there. Oh, okay. Hi, bomb dude. Hello, bomb dude. Are you gonna end my life after all that talk? You know what? You're not. I fucking Indiana Jones that bitch. Not really. Oh, the flag, but I don't have any, there's a flag. Remind me there's a flag. We gotta take it out. Flag. Gotta go take it out. We're gonna run up to the blue. No! Oh, God, that hurt! Run! 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 Where's the blue? Where's the blue? Where's the blue?
Somehow the Knights aren't just stabbing the Coalition in the back. They want it crippled.
Blue. Oh, fuck. Where's the blue? Where's the fuck? Up here. Where? Blue. Where'd it go? Where the fuck did that thing? Oh, it's right there. Oh, you gotta be fucking shitting me. How do I get up there? Not that way. I guess I keep going along this path and around. Look, I don't know if I'm gonna make this. Oh, not with that guy. That guy will fucking kill me. That guy will fucking kill me. Come on. Open up. Open up. Please. Open. Open. Open up. Yes. Where? Why? No, I want you to go up. There's one. There's one. Excuse me, asshole. I need this. I need this more than you do. Woo! That was gonna be rough. Oh, fuck! Oh, yeah, I got a... yeah, thanks. Yeah, I got him. Thank you. Let me ban that. Yeah, best viewers, yeah. You know what? I am not that big. I am being assailed by these stupid sons of bitches. Because... Hello, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Where are you? Thank you. It's the game. It's the game. I'm a nobody. It's the game. Delete. Thank you. Delete. Ban. Hello. Can I... Oh, fuck. You know why I can't get out? This is the only part I hate about this particular game. Okay, boom. Siri, what are you doing? Siri, why are you shitting the bed? Alright, I banned him. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Alright, done. Sorry! What time is it? We got 15 more minutes. Let's try. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, there we go. Get up, get up.
I feel like the karma.
Let's go down there and deal with this asshole.
Get ready.
Yeah. Hey man, how about a grenade? I don't like you. God, that guy. Yeah, fuck you. I hate you, dude. Piss me off. Those guys suck. Alright, now where is that flag? Where's that goddamn flag I gotta deal with? That bandit flag. Fine. There it is. What is that? Oh, hi! Oh, fuck! Well, that killed my ass. I didn't even see him there! I was so focused on the fucking flag! You know what? Let me see if I can just... Yeah, let me see, man, because I'm not always gonna have what I need, right? Let me tap dance with this dude. Yes! Yes! Get back, get back. Yeah, fuck you! Fuck you! Yes! I beat him! I fucking beat him!
This is gonna come.
You see, I've been leveling up this whole time.
Fuck yeah! He can be beaten. It's the small things, man. Alright. You still got... That son of a bitch still got me. That's alright. I can get up there. You know what? I don't even need to get up there. I just need to shoot this flag. Done. Ah, that's me. That was me. Yeah. Oh, you son of a bitch. Uh-oh. Oh. Hello, Mr. Axe Man. Let's go see about your shit. Solo leveling. This guy is a piece of work too. I really like it. It's a good. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Yes! Yeah! Fucking yes! Yes!
beat your ass with Twisted Tea.
That's a favorite. That's a classic. That's a classic. Oh no, no, don't do that, dude. Don't hit that. Where is this other asshole? Where is he? He's down here somewhere. Right, oh, he's right there. He's hiding. You didn't kill me! You didn't kill me, motherfucker! Any flag over here? Where this guy shoots my ass? I don't see one. Okay, time to go back up. And I can do that with these. Or I can just walk up. Or I can go that no, I need to go this way. I need to go up. Okay, I need to go up for the side quest. Yeah, it's best not to ask. I don't know. Agents of the Dead. I got no idea. What's down here? It's a really interesting story. I think a lot of it is based on, and I'm woefully lacking in myths from India, folklore. So it's kind of really cool. What's in there? What's this? What is? Oh, okay. More buttons. Somebody over here. Oh, goddamn! Ah! Not much you can do against those guys in a tight space. You just take the blast.
I'm sure you'll find a use for it.
Yes, yes. And like I said, my take on it is willfully lacking by my own ignorance, but it's got some cool shit. I know a lot about Irish stuff. I know a lot about other things, but as far as folklore and stuff and mythology from India, I need more. I need more. I need to educate myself, as they say. All right, where? This way. Parkouring. There's something over there. Something over there, but it's not that big of a deal. Alright. 20. Oh shit! Woo-hoo-hoo! This is the way to go. This is the way to go! And maybe down and over? Fuck, I don't know. Hold on, let's take a look at the map. Yeah, where the fuck am I? The good people. I can talk to you all about the good people. Yes. Yes. I don't think there's anything down there. Is there anything down? There might be something down there. Let's see if we can level a skill up. If I get killed, I won't feel so bad. 4? No, 7, 5, 4, 3. Yeah, sure. I'm never going to use it, but might as well. Boom. Okay. I don't feel so bad. This is not the way.
Feeling pretty good.
This is not the way. I don't know where that goes, but let's find out. It means I'm dead. That's what that means. That means you can't go that way. You shall not pass. Okay. All right, dude. Listen. There you go. Get him! What you doing, my man? What you doing, my man? You coming at me? Coming at me, bud? Oh, god damn. These guys are so fucking hard. Come on, bro. Come on. Now he's gonna go red. You gonna go red now? You gonna go red? Oh, god damn it. Thank you. Whew. Water is not good. Well, deep water. Deep water is not good. Like, this little stuff you can survive. But shit like that down there, you're gonna die. Yeah, I know a good bit about the deep folk. I meant deep folk. The good folk. I'm impressed. Yeah. I'm impressed, you know, about the Seelie and the Unseelie court. Not many people do. Respect. How the fuck do I get over there? That's the thing. This is here. Map. Where the fuck am I? I'm here. I'm not on the right path. I'm on these mines. There is a road here. There is a road, and I am not on it. Let's look over here. Oh, man, yeah, she's cool. You won't have me. I'm not gonna say anything bad about any of them. Because, like a true Irishman, you know, I'm not going to say I believe, but I'm not going to be stupid enough to cross anyone. Yes, yeah. Oh, it's got to be over that way somewhere then, right? Because this way is a no-go. Anything over this way? Yeah, there is. All right. Okay, no, nothing here. Gotta be that way. That way and up? Fuck if I know. Alright, where am I on the map now? Interesting. I'm still not. There's the breach. Here is the passage. I need to get to this area somehow, and I don't know how to get there. But it looks like boop, 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 and I come out a well. So this is the way to go. I just don't know how to get there. Nope.
Come at me.
Oh, God. Dude, I got no time for you nonsense. Ah! I met Jim. I met Jim Butcher. I met him when I wrote my book. I met Jim. He's a nice guy. He's a really nice guy. Yeah, I met Laurel K. Hamilton. I met them all at Dragon Con. Yeah, real nice guy. I want to see him finish. Yeah, I want to see him investigate Power and Steel. No, I don't want that. I want this one. Got in the Dark, active quest. You know what? As long as I'm here, I might as well fucking set it. I mean, what the fuck? Let's just set the active quest as to where it is, and let's just deal with it. Nice! Nice! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Some motherfuckers are always trying to ice skate uphill.
Nice, man. Nice. You know what? It is close. The weather is starting to get bad. I think I'm going to call it here. It is starting to get pretty bad outside. Yes! Yeah, it's another Souls-like. Yes, it is. It's great. Yeah, well, you know... Yeah, I normally have something going on at night on Mondays. Def, do you stream? Do you stream? No. Well, you're welcome to my Discord. Thank you so much. You're welcome to my Discord. All right, guys. Love y'all. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. And I will see you Wednesday. Yeah, here too. It's like a swamp and the weather's gonna break and it's gonna be bad. Thunderstorms, real bad. Let's see who we're gonna raid. Let's see if we raid somebody. Let's see if I know anybody to raid. See if I know anybody at all to raid. Alright, let's see. Do I know anyone? Here. Yeah, none of those people would have me even in the door. I don't know who that is. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can find him. Let's see if I can find him. Search, paste. God damn you, machine! Cheap viewing. Stupid thing. Oh shit. What the fuck? I didn't do that. Sorry, Rooster. I hit the wrong button. Sorry. I don't have a goddamn mod. I don't have a mod. I'm trying to get rid of this other one. Oh god. Oh god. It's gotta be the game, dude. I'm being swamped. Who am I? I'm nobody. Yeah, let's go raid this guy. Legend of Zelda. Let's go. Let's do it. Here. Remember the pants. Remember the pants. If you want to know what that means, it's on my YouTube and it's on Twitter. That's on my page. Let's do it. Be good, guys. Love yous. Bye.
In the depths of the forest, where secrets reside, Dan Tansky, the explorer.